thought you would. You call that news, you think that's good. Your phase one trial was misunderstood. Honey, that's a story for the neighborhood. You put a single coin inside a digital vault. Now you're looking at me like it's all my fault. Ha! You must be new to this game, 'cause every time the ending is the same. Go on and fly, baby, reach for the stars. Go tell your story in a million bars. But there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so don't you even try. Oh, gravity,
pulling you down.
oh, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. All the believers, they're holding on tight, staring at the green with all of their might. Your chart looks like a supernova in the sky, a beautiful explosion, but we all know why. It's the final flash before it fades to black. A one-way ticket and there's no coming back. No, 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 baby, put on a show. Go on and glow, baby, everybody knows that there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so wave it all goodbye. Oh, gravity,
Pulling you down.
oh, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down.
sing it, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down.
sing it, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. What goes up?
Must come down.
Yeah, what goes up?
Must come down.
Oh, I feel it pulling down, 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 down. Oh, that sweet, sweet gravity.
Alright, place your bets, folks. I already know my hand. They're going all in on a pocket full of air, a flashy press release and a wing and a prayer. Think they got a royal flush, a can't miss thing, pushing that stock up, listen to the choir sing. But I'm on my second beer, ain't even worried none. This high stakes gamble's already been won. Go on and push your chips, I kinda love the show. Higher and higher, baby, let the good times roll. But every party's got an ending when the music's thin. That's when they all realize the trouble they're in. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, now that's my kind of show. Everybody's scared of seeing red on the screen. To me that color's the prettiest I've ever seen. 'Cause I don't need a rocket, I don't need a peak. My bread bread and butter is a company that's looking weak. The lower that it goes, the bigger that I grin, watching all my pretty little winnings rolling in. Go on and cheer it on, I wanna see the height. Yeah, light it up, baby, make it burn real bright. Cause the brighter that it burns, the faster it'll fade. And that's the foundation of the trades I've made. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south, it starts to slip and slide. That's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, now that's my kind of show. It ain't about the glory, it ain't about the fame. It's about knowing the rules to a different kind of game. While they're all looking up, my eyes are looking down, cause that's where the real treasure in this town is found.
Green team, what is going on? We're at Fade's place, man. And his computer broke.
Yeah. Unbelievable timing, guys. Yeah, so I'm waiting on a new computer charger right now.
This is what he's trading on right now.
Not on the phone, guys.
He's on the phone.
Yeah, we're dialed in.
We're dialed in though, but yeah, this has been a interesting morning. Got up early here at Fade's in Orlando, and we're here to make some money with the coot. With the coot.
Yeah, guys. So Trump tweeted seed oil. Did the seed oil tweet, and the algorithm just squeezed all after hours. We had 3 names: the S dot, seed, and coot. So that's like the main main focus right now. Coot has been a known pump and dump. I've shorted plenty of times. Was hanging around 60 cents, $1 area. Now it's at 4, and it's looking real heavy. So I'm not trading my funded right now because I don't have my computer, but I am on another eval, gassing it with Coot right now, short, working that. And besides that, yeah, we're just getting started, guys. So what have y'all been
Just
trading?
getting started. Yeah, I haven't had too much time to do pre-market analysis, but I do see the Omer, Coot, S dot, and then of course some hangover plays. Metals, I like TMQ. TMQ it reminds me of ELBM. Yesterday, ELBM just snapped right out of the gates, as well as GWH. So a couple people actually with in Trade the Polls or Josh's chat, they were telling me that they're learning this hangover and taking some of these plays. I was proud of them. So listening with the GWH and the ELBM. So the sector kind of sketches me out. That's the only thing. EDHL, I like this a lot. EDHL's at the dollar price range, and $1.20. That Magic 20 held up real well yesterday. And so I'd like to see it stay heavy there and fade against the 120. I think that could be a sleepy fader. It's up from 41 cents the other day up to still hanging over at $1 right now.
Omer is starting to look heavy, guys. A little heavy right now. Just had another big wick down, so keep an eye on that one. Obviously, into bell, things going to be choppy, so just be careful there, but that's another runner that's not related to the seed oil stuff.
Seed oils, goodness.
Yeah,
Who would have
whoever
known?
thought that people would be getting rich off these damn seed oils that are killing all of us now? Like, this is unbelievable.
Yeah, it's been insane, man. This summer and even now, it's been such a good time, though. Perfect Fall, how's your pre-market been going? OMER, the 5 minutes, diabolical. Yeah, and they may, with their news, with their licensing and whatnot, with another company, may hold up a little bit more than this Coot. Coot, we got 7 minutes until the Cooters out there take over for the opening bell, and so I'm going to monitor what they do.
Yeah.
Dude, wait! Imagine we had a studio one of these days like this, and then we could have the Cooters on one screen and just monitor what they're doing. Yeah. So
We're gonna get there, man. We're gonna get there.
I
for
can't
sure.
wait. I can't wait. Yeah. So what else are you guys looking at? That out of the gates, EDHL for me. This freaking GWAV. God dang it! My time. See that we just went over timing the other day, and timing is so aggravating because they've been chopping around, like you said, at market
Yeah.
open so much. You've been seeing the cleaner moves in pre-market.
Yeah.
The market hour chop is so damn annoying because you
Yeah,
gotta
it
you gotta
is.
size smaller and give them more room.
Exactly. Yeah, you can't be too aggressive, or you're just inevitably going to get chopped up. Like the nature of these tickers and the manipulation. Yeah, it really is. There's not a way around it. You'll get lucky. You'll have big trades, but if you continue to size big with that manipulation, you're going to get eaten out for sure. And you'll be right. Your bias will be right. Like, you'll have the right idea. You'll just be too
I know.
aggressive. You're
It's
trying to
like-
get somewhere too
yeah.
fast, and that's how we blow our account 9.9 times out of 10, right?
Yeah, the AQMS, like I was telling you earlier, I had a red day yesterday and ended up minimizing it and walking away. But it's like, where these plays are headed, but in the meantime, you could get squeezed out, indefinitely.
Yeah.
And that reminds me of AQMS yesterday, which we should probably watch again today. That
Yeah.
thing hit 39.40.
Unreal, dude.
Yeah. So are we? Yeah, this one hit the previous close now and rejected off of that. I'm wondering with AQMS, even though it's metals, maybe if we catch the backside of that, but we'll see how that one's going to open up.
Yeah. Once that thing finally confirms, let me take a look at this.
And STI, I mean, it's
That
weird.
one,
They're almost
man.
working together. These two plays, and
It's
they're
been the Bulls have been having their fun. Yeah, the Bulls got rowdy with all these seed oils that have held a lot of their gains, and some of these other pumps, the continued pumps. So yeah, I got to be a little more cautious today for the shorts. But as we know, once the bull, it comes in cycles.
it does. Yeah.
Like we talked about, we were on stream yesterday talking about all those hot plays, and the next thing you know, they all gave it up, bro. And it was like right there, we were on it. Like the GWH and the ELBM, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes later, like that.
And that JDXL Chinese play that we were working. Yeah, we just
Even that one is one JDZG. 'cause-
CRML. We can't forget about CRML. This one is kind of looking heavy against some resistance yesterday.
Yeah, that one is. I think that one is the one that had something to do with the government backing. But yeah, it is looking real heavy now.
CRML. I see.
That's
I
tricky.
don't want to forget about those other plays because they could just jump all over AQMS, STI. I think perfect fall. You have the right idea banning them, especially after when we
Yeah.
can't just figure it out, just ban them, and it's the right idea. CRML, I may stab at that one because I could see that one profit taking pulling back into the low 20s even today. But man, it's good hanging with you, man.
Yeah,
It says
I know.
traders we're our own breed.
Yeah,
it's
that's
just
cool.
like we're our own breed. This
Yeah,
is
I mean,
good.
I don't have my setup going on, but we're still here. We're still doing it. We got plenty more times to come, so it's all
Oh
right.
yeah, this is a good time. So, any other tickers you guys want us to go over? Let us know. Otherwise, we got a pretty strong
Omer
list
just
here.
put another wick in, guys. Omer, look at that. Wick to the highs and now back
Okay.
heavy again. That could be something there.
Yeah, Omer. This is the first time we met, and we pretty much scurried to the office here. And we're
Yeah.
like, we were just like,
Right.
hey, Coot.
Yeah, Kevin pulls up and like, Coot's dumping, bro. Coot's dumping.
Yeah, you're such degenerates. We're like, okay, I need to get set up.
That's hilarious, man. Oh my god, it's so funny.
Such degenerates. It's too
Yeah.
funny.
So Bell's coming up here. I just got to keep an eye on Coot close because I'm in. But yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Coot, the 70-cent close yesterday, dude. Oil, it's just so ridiculous.
I know, man.
It's so ridiculous. But hey, we react, right? We react to
Yeah.
the price action. We don't predict. So, Coot, I think there could be a great opportunity here. I'm looking at even the 20-year chart.
4.2, even 4.2 now. Like, it had a very strong rejection right under 4.2. Oh wow, it's starting to give it up now before Bell, guys.
Yeah, PFAI was a Pinnacle Foods heavy. Perfect fall, bringing that one up.
Yeah, that was another one. It was up a little bit.
What's the float on the Coot? 5? Is it 5 million?
Coot, look at that chart. I got the 1 minute pulled up on Coot and this iPad, and then so that's the only trade I'm in right now.
Coot.
I like the overall trade. It might be choppy here. I mean, even 4-2 now is a good risk level for 4, but it's just getting involved right at Bell if you haven't been working it is hard.
Kayvon in the building. Yeah, Kayvon. I'm Chicago. I'm swinging your way maybe this summer. All right, let's focus
Yeah, we're
here.
gonna have our trader meetup, guys. But right now, let's dial in. Bell's coming up.
Yeah,
Get everything set up here.
after we make money, we can hug and do all that.
Yeah.
We got to focus on Coot.
Yeah. So yeah, dude, this thing is heavy, bro. Like, are they trapping it, or are they just gonna wash it at Bell? I mean, look at that chart.
Yeah, I want to get involved as well. I'm thinking
It's like,
the Warriors may try it. I don't know. Which one are they looking at?
yeah. So that's the thing to keep in mind. Yeah. So we got Seed, we got Coot, and we got the S dot. S dot looks really bad too. I mean, these plays are kind of starting to turn bearish, and it's like nothing lasts forever, right? I mean, the Trump hype was great. He tweeted seed oils, and the Bulls got a 400 or 500%er. I mean, how much more do they want? How much more can the market give them before profit starts?
I'm thinking
to
about
took?
TMQ out of the gates and maybe EDHL against 120. Those two I'm watching.
Okay. I'm setting some stops on Coot.
Oh, not this. No. Yeah, good job just having those prepped. Here we are. All right. Coot and
Does your thing ding at 9:30?
yeah, Thinkorswim will. My dinging's off on trade the pull. Okay, there's the bell. Green team. Let's have a good green day, because
And there goes Coot. Probably gonna squeeze up.
Oh,
Where is it? Oh no, it's dumping.
I can't get, yeah. I'm monitoring the action there very closely. And
Gonna
then
be choppy,
TMQ,
but
where's
it's
that?
probably long term big
Damn it.
picture.
God damn. TMQ's already profit taking
Wow.
on the hangover.
Seed is dumping. Coot is dumping. Seems like S dot dumping. Seed oil's dumping, guys.
I'm going to go ahead and get involved with
Could be fake outs, but just careful. But it seems like-
EDHL. A slow one. EDHL. My stop's at 120, though. Just mindful there. That's a slow one. I'm just going to kick back. TMQ profit taking a bit.
put a wick in. Seed oil wick, guys. That might not be done.
Dude,
Don't get over convicted.
I need to look at Thinkorswim and see how accurate this thing is. Coot.
Is it lagging?
I'm just wondering, because it's
it's a
kind of
good-
king of the day.
Yeah, you're right. Shit.
370.
Coot's getting real wicky, guys. We had a wick. We had a 4-1 to the 3-7 1 minute candle. Hold your horses here.
Okay.
Wild
She's
Wiki West.
370.
I just hit it a little bit. Eval degeneracy today.
Yeah, I think that the 8%'s close on this thing for me.
Yeah, this is like a good eval kind of trade because it's going to be very manipulated. It's going to be very volatile. So I'm hitting the gas on the eval because I don't have my computer. I don't want to risk too much. So I'm just going to have a little fun with this Coot today, guys. My bias was there. And looks like we might be getting ready to halt down. Play the halt down song. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, Coot. Let's see where I'm looking.
Oh, God. And my phone dies. Yeah.
Oh, you're just dying all over the place over there. Let's get some of these charts to die. Yeah, 12, 8, 10, 40. Yeah, Coot's looking good. It's looking heavy. They may have one more run in it or something, I don't know. You know how they do at the
Yeah.
bell. AQMS,
Maybe
dude.
reclaim the 4 one more time, but it's heavy.
AQMS is dumping.
Is it?
Yes.
There's gonna be a meet if that thing confirms. That was my bias. Like,
I'm going to get involved with CRML, I think.
yeah, just careful. It's got that government back in.
Fades is getting his phone charger. Yeah, AQMS selling off a little bit. TMQ still it may be providing an entry there. CRML. Huh. I'm gonna jump in some CRML. I'm gonna jump in some CRML. I think against like 28. See if we can profit take some today.
Cooter.
Is it dumping still?
Probably gonna end up halting.
CRML, I think looks good, dude. I think CRML looks good.
Those. Not a good time for my phone to die.
Oh, did you have stop set?
Yeah, but I might be more worried about taking too much profit at this point. It's all good.
All right, see ya.
Just an evo.
Oh, you got too much profit going on. CRML working out so far. I'm kicking back there. I'd like to see that in the low 20. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Maybe sizing
there?
into
Okay.
it a little bit. Maybe sizing into it. She's confirming, I
Yeah,
think,
EDHO, I like that yesterday, guys. I think that was like a China pump. Where'd you get in at?
on EDH.
It's back at 120 now? Okay, so it pumped higher. I was looking at that chart yesterday.
All right, I'm going to keep flipping.
So Coop put in a wick down at 3.6 and kind of churned up a little bit. It's not quite as rangy now. If you guys would like the trade,
Dude, the Bulls day, this is going to
it's
come
like
to an end soon.
if you wanted to take a tiny position and have a little skin in the game before it gets too volatile.
GWAV popping up towards a ton of resistance yesterday. GWAV. GWAV. The king of the dip. I think I'm going to try to involve myself in the GWAV, but it's real spready.
Coot did that almost that 4 test that I was talking about. Wow, are they gonna reclaim it?
I'm going to get involved with it now, I think.
Oh, that's so annoying. Wasn't able to take profit.
I'm going to get involved with it here at 401.
At this point, they might continue to push up. That was a pretty aggressive reclaim. But yeah, that's a good risk level as well. I was thinking like a 4 test to like trap. Look at that. Oh my god. This piece of shit.
Let me see. I think 450s is going to be the risk guide here. And they may just squeeze me straight up. Yeah.
Literally, look at that, dude.
It's halting up, but maybe. About to just get out of it. Let me see what it's going to do right here. I want it to reject hard here. If not, I'm going to be done with it.
This freaking piglet.
They may have just got their liquidity, though. You know,
Look at that, dude.
they may have just got their liquidity.
From 3.6.
Wow, they just got their damn liquidity. They're going to shoot it straight down now, huh? Wow, bro. I'm still in it, but are you still good?
Yeah.
You're still good. They got their liquidity, so we certainly don't want it back up to 450 at this point. I can't set a hard stop on this because I'm going to get wicked out. That's my problem with it.
Yeah, you just gotta go small and size down.
Back up to 450, I'm done with it, though.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that was annoying.
It
God.
may still be annoying. We'll see what she does.
Yeah, I was worried this theme, man. Like, I mean, in big picture, like, it really just needs to reject here. I mean, if it gets strong past 4 or 5, it's gonna halt up and turn to the king of the day, some Australian seed oil company. Oh man, the times we're living in, bro.
The times we're living in.
Unreal.
Yeah, I want the 450 60s to hold up here. I'm Coot. After that liquidity move, I really wanted to get some selling pressure. This one feels like it could just slam down, you know, at
It
any
should.
moment. Like,
There's
oh
no
my God,
reason why
oh
it
my God.
shouldn't. It came
Is it
from
about to
nothing,
happen right
dude.
there? Is it about to?
Yeah.
As I say that. No,
better.
no, still holding a little bit.
I can't believe that, dude. God, what a disgusting reclaim. That's the theme we've been seeing, though. Like that's the thing this thing's been doing. The algorithm is wicked, man. This Trump algorithm, like it's like AI just buys it up and squeezes shorts. Like it's crazy. Yeah, I mean 4.5, 4.6. Like I'd say, I mean just put in that wick at 4.5. So like a wick above that would be crazy. But
I'm gonna put a
it
4.
rejected at 4.6 before, so maybe like 4.65 and 4.55. Like break it up in between that. Maybe a good idea, just in case.
Okay.
Yeah.
4.55 and
I hate to see it get there,
4.65.
but-
I'm setting 2 stops for.
That seed is still kind of is heavy too. That's another one of the seed oils. Yeah, let's keep attention to the other ones. Yeah, so S dot, they all just did the same thing, guys. And this is like even more confirmation and something to take note of. All these plays just did that sweep.
God
Look,
dang it,
look
dude.
at S dot. It did the same thing. See?
Yeah, S dot did the same wiki action.
This coot gonna get
I'm about to get wicked out on Coop.
This piece of shit.
I have a 4.55 and 4.65 stop. CRML's working out, but I'm not real heavy there.
Yeah, coot should be heavy here, guys, but just have your stops. Don't let it halt up on you.
I want to let it halt down on us is the thing.
It should be, because like the other one just rejected. Seed and S dot are rejecting. S dot rejected, seed rejected, coot should follow.
Ah, boy. It's about to do one of two things here. It's about to either liquidate or shoot straight down.
Based off the other two stocks, I would assume it's gonna push down, but it's stronger than the other ones for some reason. Australian seed oils, guys. That's what the bulls love today. Ridiculous. 4.5 seems like a really good risk level to get involved, but it's we want to see it shoot down. It's not, so. S dot reclaim now. Yeah, these seed oil plays are getting real choppy, guys. Just careful here. So seed rejected, S dot rejected and reclaimed, and coot is just cooting around.
I feel like I need to have, well, I don't want to get too optimistic, but like a profit. Here, come on. I mean, I ain't jinx. I'm not gonna jinx it, Fades. I'm not gonna jinx it. I'm just eyeballing, just watching.
We don't want to see S dot. I mean, do we want to see S dot get strong so coot doesn't? So seed is giving it up. Seed is one of the, that one's like really weak, right? Coot is reclaimed but kind of weak. S dot is the one that's real chopping around. Studying these themes, guys. GWAV. Omer is giving it up. Oh my god, look at Omer, dude.
The one we didn't look at focus on.
I mean, and it's still early, essentially. That thing's on a textbook downtrend right now.
All right, let me think about what I'm gonna do here. I mean, I feel like I need to reduce the risk. I don't want it to hold the 420s. You know. Perfect Falls and Omer, or
Yeah.
just maybe reduce the risk on it. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. That's how you're feeling. Just take some off because it is looking squeezy.
Or like it's just gonna do some liquidation move.
Yeah, I like 4.55, 4.66. Like I like that stop broken up there, and kind of managing it from there.
All right.
Taffy.
I don't want to tunnel. I'm gonna look at some other plays. Omer,
Yeah.
you said is
Yeah, just put in a wick though. At 10.
GWAV. Damn it, dude! I had an order out. I didn't get filled on that. GWAV's been looking good.
Let's see if Omer, if that wick is like a reversal wick or if it's gonna stay heavy.
Yeah, I gotta get rid of the GWAV one. Yeah, as far as Coot goes, the 420s I'm eyeballing. I need it to get a heavy under that. You know, popping back up towards 450 is gonna kind of suck.
Yeah. So S dot, it dumped again. Man, look at that chart. Look at those wicks on S dot.
That's not tradable. It's not even fucking.
And then
tradable.
Seed is the other one. That one's staying weak.
CRML's working out fine for me. May need to size that one. Not get aggressive with the losers, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But Coot feels like it's about to. This 420, it needs to get heavy under 420.
Yeah. Whoa.
That's right there. It's right there. I like that one for big picture play, though.
Yeah, I
it's
do.
just like, are they going to wick you out, you know?
Exactly. And that's the thing. Everyone's over leveraged, over aggressive, over biased,
Right.
and that's what you see. It's just the market
Exactly.
repeats itself day in and day out. That's why I like leaning into pre-market and after hours because it's a little cleaner, so I can swing a little harder and step up a little stronger. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's your bread and butter.
Yeah, that's like the reality.
We're
of
right
my
there, bro.
trade.
We're right there. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Stay heavy, stay heavy, stay heavy.
Come on, man. Let's get you a good trade on that Fonda today.
I'm looking for it, man. I'm looking for it. Oh my God! Don't buy up here. I felt like I knew I should have had a limit order out.
Mm-hmm.
Do not buy up here, dude. I'm gonna have to reduce the
Omer
risk.
is looking heavy.
If they just accumulate shorts and squeeze it up,
Yeah, that's kind of what they've been doing, bro.
yeah.
Careful with it. Yeah, again, that wick. Like, I don't like these wicks. I would, maybe even scale the stop down like 3.5.
That's what I'm doing.
5.5, or like
4.38
4.5,
and
4.5.
4.5,
Yeah, like
yeah.
even just back over that top there, because you know what's gonna happen if it gets up there.
Right.
After it just wicks
Yeah,
there.
exactly. We've seen this before. So I'm working 3 right now: EDHL, CRML, and COOT. Just obviously been eyeballing Coop because that thing can drop a point in a second, and that would be
That Omer is.
Omer right now. Should look
That
at
thing
Omer.
has been working, yeah. It just confirmed with another candle down. Given risk levels there. It's like you
Wow.
gotta kind of tunnel in a little bit, but tight stop and let it, ride it right out.
Should have had profit taking orders on Coop. That's definitely my mistake.
Yeah, I mean, you're looking for bigger picture, so. But that's the thing, like, you can look for bigger picture, but you need to take some profit in between. So, like, always, I think that's the best way to go about it. Like, keep your core for the bigger picture, but like a third of it always be like looking to take some
I see.
profit and like re-hit, I think that's a good way to go about it. I've seen that so many times. Like, I'm biased, I'm convicted on the short, and bigger picture it's gonna work, but it gives me so many times to get in and out and milk it on the way, right? So it's like work
5
that
minute,
position.
5 minute. This thing actually looks kind of good for like the long.
Yeah.
right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to be careful with that.
Yeah, Coot is, yeah. I'm becoming less of a fan of the trade. It's just I hate it because it's like big picture. I feel like I know.
I'm gonna reduce the risk a lot on it. CRML's working great.
Cool.
Uh,
Omer is fading.
Omer fading. Okay. What else we got? What else we got? Omer has been such a beaut. Yeah,
Yeah, that
and
thing's
may
in a
still be.
textbook downtrend.
Of course, it is the one that gets the
Big
reputable
bid
news.
at 410. Is it gonna hold or wipe?
Oh my God,
Coot.
Soggy Peter's coming back to
Oh
life.
my God,
Soggy
dude.
Peter's coming back to life.
I'm done.
Soggy
I
Peter.
can't do it anymore, bro. I can't do this shit. I need a break. I need to go to the rehab.
Yeah,
I need to go to
exactly.
the resort.
Dude, there's some real estate here for that. I mean,
Oh yeah, there is. Yeah, dude, this is gonna be our headquarters.
we might get it going today if these plays keep working out.
Come on, Cooter. Come on, Coot.
Soggy Peter, guys, going straight up. Soggy Peter. S. Dot, what a play. Yeah, S. Dot tested pre-market highs.
Like,
Perfect fall. Yeah, that's beauty. 13. You were probably calling this too, weren't you?
yeah,
Yeah.
nice. See, that's what we want to see though, because that's a seed oil rejection, guys. Are you in TMQ?
No, I'm not in TMQ.
Ah.
I get sucked into these
Coot,
cooters.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. Oh, you reduced size.
Don't
on
yell
Coot,
at
didn't you? You reduced size on Coot.
No, I'm
didn't you?
good, bro. I'm
Okay,
good.
all right,
I'm good.
all right.
I'm good.
Yes.
I just don't go heavy.
Yeah, you're good.
These were, yeah, I'm in 100 shares on Q. That's for me. That's kind of heavy-ish because I was down 50 or 60. But I'm looking for a big picture play on it with the funded.
Is it gonna halt down here?
Yeah, I'm kicking back, bro. Kicking back.
Okay, it's like, guys, if this reclaims, look at this chart. If this reclaims, look at me. I'm not doing it. If this reclaims, guys, I'm done. Throw in the towel.
I feel like you just cursed it, and I need to take something off of it.
I probably did.
You probably did curse it. Maybe I should take something off of CRML. What do you think?
Well,
Just let that one work.
If you're in heavy, I would definitely take some and short a pop again. But wow, another seller. Let's see.
It hit 375 and popped up off of that.
Yeah, but not as strong as before.
I think it stays heavy. I'm gonna kick back with it.
We gave it a lot of attention. Like,
CRML very heavy still. TMQ pisses me off. Oh my god, that pisses me
Omer trade is working.
off. God dang it. You know, we always miss a few, you know, so it's
Yeah.
just, it is what it is. It still annoys me to this day.
Coot, Omer, PFAI.
All right.
That seed has been a great fade too.
Fossils at
That
highs.
China company, that seed, look at that, just beautiful.
Yeah. Seeds.
So that was like the
against,
sweat-free seed oil short, and it still is.
It is, yeah. Why?
Like that thing's done.
Why were
right
you not
now.
yelling seed at me
Look
when I
at-
showed up?
dude,
You were
seed.
yelling coot, coot, coot right when I got here.
Well, Coot's up 400%, so there's more meat to pick naturally. But this
just
seed,
messing with you.
the seed is actually like a China company. I read on the board. Someone said so. Like, guys, seed under 2 like might just be like death dive. I don't always recommend to chase, but in this nature, if these seed oils are going to continue to give it up, you know, same way with S-Dot. We just saw that rejection on S-Dot. Like, these seed oils plays are probably going to get heavy, guys.
Seed, I could imagine against 220 staying heavy.
Like, just like yesterday, how the battery plays faded after they had the Warriors rallied. But what happens after the rally? The inevitable fade.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you know, it's like if the theme's working, sprinkle a little bit, set your stops. S-Dot halted down, guys. So we have a seed oil play halted down. So that's a big deal.
CRML bouncing here.
So the seed oil play being halted down means that Coot is probably gonna, you know, not get much love here.
I'm going to give it an opportunity.
I mean, there's a chance that like it could turn into the king of the day rally, but do we really see that after this, what it's done and where it came from? So I'm kind of looking for a bigger picture, just capitulation there.
Seeds, yeah, seed's looking very heavy.
Yeah, so seed off 215, guys. like 213.
Coot, I haven't. I'm just kicking back with Coot. CRML, I'm reducing the risk there, but
And then how's Omer looking? Is that thing still heavy, or is it kind of bouncing a little bit? It's pretty heavy, but
they could squeeze shorts out on this Coot. I mean, I'm gonna reduce the risk on it. You know how they do. I'm thinking like 420 now. I want it to stay heavy against 420.
yeah. Omer is still looking pretty heavy, guys, off of like 10.5, 10.6.
Yeah, that and it's got the open at 1150. Omer, we're up a lot. They did have the decent news, but yeah, I like the Omer too. What was the float? 65 million. So that's the chat rooms aren't going to jump on that.
Yeah.
So just trying to focus working the winners, like I'm reducing the risk on them if they do look like they're going to curl around, but otherwise trying to maximize the profit. Perfect Fall and I had a conversation about that yesterday.
Coot working.
OMER, interesting against 1050. I do like it. Omer against, I mean, tight. I mean, even $11 there.
Cooter.
Yeah, even if it's a baby Green Day, dude, I gotta have a Green Day today with you.
Yeah. For real.
So, but I like the big picture on Coot, dude. That could be for
yeah.
my small funded account, I could be up a couple hundred
You
just
could.
on that.
No, seriously, that's what I'm saying. Just stick with Coot and kick back. It's like you got a good setup. You could bring the risk level down to even 4 now.
420 is where I got
411. Like,
EDHL's really not giving it up where I like it. I'm gonna reduce the risk there on that one. Not probably down to like 110.
looking for that diamond for the crypto treasury.
Yeah, I got those two working, but yeah, bigger picture on the Coot. TMQ was a good setup. That one didn't take it though. And then Omer's really interesting here. What are you thinking? I mean, even against 11-ish, we're still up a lot here, up over 100%.
Yeah, I like Omer. I like Omer. I like Coot.
Omer's trying to hold 10 at this point. 11 could be the decent risk guide on it. Omer shares soared on sale of the blood disease drug to Novo Nordisk. So, I mean, they got something there going on.
That's Taffy. She has asthma.
My cat does too.
Does she really?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
You heard that?
Yeah. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, she's a
hairball.
She's
Hairball
a munchkin
coming.
cat. Yeah, it could be a hairball too. She's like a little bit longer hair, so.
Omer's popping up right now.
Yeah, it bounced down, or I mean, it just had a big wash down, so reclaims expected there. Old Cooter.
Coot, I'm still in it. Like, I still want the elevator down. you
Yeah,
know,
if it
bigger
ain't broke,
picture.
don't fix it with Coot. It
I'm
looks
kind of
like it's
ignoring
gonna-
it at this point.
Yeah, I mean, it's looking good. Just slowly bring your stops down.
Seed is given an entry.
Yeah,
Seed.
yeah, it is. Unless it's gonna
You want to log into your funded on here?
reclaim. Nah, it's
You're
fine,
good.
man. Yeah. It's all
You're,
good.
you're not as degenerate as me.
I got my evals.
You
it's
get work in
enough.
the eval.
Yeah, it's fine.
DGen James, you in the building?
DGen James. S dot, guys. That thing is heavy. S dot is the one that's really rejected hard.
Seed. If like one seed gets going, well, the other seeds get
That's the
going.
thing that's tricky. It's like some of them dump and some of them don't. Like,
Yeah.
it's weird. I'm trying to figure out the theme here. Like, yeah, exactly.
Coot, they're trying to pop it up.
We got a crypto treasury.
I mean, it's not surprising. There's going to be a chat room trying to like, front load their guys and pump this thing on up. That's what they do.
Yep.
Oh man, not like nothing major yet. No big trade. TMQ would have been a pretty good trade hangover out of the gate. It may be providing an entry, but Seed as well. Seed's right at that 220, dude. I think I gotta take this trade right here.
Yeah, I mean, I think all these trades like are kind of feel heavy, like big
I'ma
picture.
take
They're
it,
just
yeah.
real choppy right now.
Seed I'm gonna take right here at this 220 against like 235. So I'm working 4 right now. Omar rejecting the 1070s.
Yeah, I think
Omar
like
rejecting.
between like Coot, Omer, S dot, like they all feel pretty heavy. Even Seed, like it's just don't get over convicted and oversized. But I think those are all gonna probably fade pretty good. At least a few of them. I mean, it's like you sprinkle, get in at the right time.
Yeah, Omer's that was a good entry there. 1080s. Sometimes it is worth taking the one with the good actual news on it and shorting it. Doesn't make sense, but it's
I know,
like the
yeah.
crap that's pumping
Yeah,
out.
it's like yeah, exactly.
You want me to get a?
You're good, dude. This thing's nothing too nice.
Sure.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
All right.
I can try to brew some hot coffee too for us, you want. Degenerate. Yeah, I mean, I'm liking all these for bigger picture phase, to be honest. Again, just like not getting over biased and oversized because we know how that works.
Yeah, they could all pay real well. I mean, I'm not. That nothing's really working at the moment, but if they do start
It's
working,
like
this could be a big day.
sprinkle with
Yeah.
good risk levels, and then kind of like we talked about, lean to the winners, and you're not emotional because you got a couple that you're looking at.
Yeah.
Seed here is definitely tempting. Let's see what else we got.
Yeah, Ceda
Coot
took
at
that
4,
one.
yeah, so Coot off like 420.
Coot's holding this level more than I would like. My adjusted stops are in the 420s, but really I was wanting it to stay heavy here.
Should be on elevator watch.
I think so, yeah. Speaking of which,
Taffy Lou, you want to say him? Oh,
Taffy.
sweet baby. Dude,
she's beautiful.
She's so sweet, so humble, dude. She will drool on you. Let's go.
Oh, Taffy. Come on, stay heavy though. I still don't think I want
Is Taffy our good luck charm?
to. Seed is like pulling back now. I noticed Seed was pulling back in.
Are we halting just now, or is that a fake?
No, yeah, I'm in big picture still. I think we get under $3, dude.
Yeah, honestly, guys, I'm pretty convicted on Seed. Or Coot. I've been screaming for this play.
I'm already scream.
I mean, literally, like the first thing Kevin did when we got out of the car, bro, we got to get on Coot.
Yeah. That is the first thing you said.
That's like that's the true dedication right there.
Yeah.
That's just pure love for the game.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. Not like, hey, bro, nice to meet you. Coot. Get in here.
no, it was nice to see you, but then it was immediately right after Coot.
It was business time.
Yeah,
All
baby.
right.
All
Coot.
right. So I mean, again, guys, like Coot played around a little bit, but that was another confirmation that we wanted to see. So, let's see. Seed.
EDHL, the only one not working for me.
Seed gave an entry too. Like,
I took it, yeah.
yeah,
To the
I'm gonna
20s.
take it on my other account. I'm gonna start getting involved here a little bit. The market's kind of slowing down a little bit. Things are presenting themselves.
Oh. How many accounts you got going now?
I'm just working a separate 25 and 50K eval.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I had some that were already in drawdown or whatever.
Yep, seeds looking good. I still haven't taken anything off there. Looking for big picture.
No, looking for a bigger picture, halt down to like 252.
Yeah. It's easy.
I mean, eventually, you know, it's like
This should be heading back down to
S dot. Also, that thing, it's hard to get an entry there. They're not really giving us an entry there, but Seed gave an entry.
Omar gave an entry too, so that kind of sucks. PFAI gave an entry too. Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm gonna keep just reducing maybe the risk on Coot. I don't know.
Between Omer and got our hands full here, it feels like.
We got our hands full a
I
little
mean,
bit.
between these three plays, like, I'm not going to overcomplicate it. Like, Omer looks really good. Omer might look like the best. Like, you see this chart? And this thing just, I don't know, man.
Yeah, I like it against either 1050 or 11.
Are they going to consolidate it here, or is it going to dump? Is the question. Coot, after that candle down again, like, it'd be really nasty to reclaim over 4 at this point. I'd just keep adjusting your stops down there.
Omer, very heavy still. Anything else going on? What's Soggy Peter doing? Crazy.
What's everyone saying?
Kayvon joined the Discord. Welcome, Kayvon.
Coot!
VERI straight up.
Yeah, any fresh play is worth it. So Omer off of Taffy baby. Daddy's taffy. Daddy's taffy.
All right, gents, how we looking? Falcon, Emmanuel in the building. How we looking, guys? CRML curling up a bit. Coot's been the one working out. That's why I'm involved in 4 of these, guys. I mean, I don't want to focus in on one.
Yep.
I want to focus on the series, the sum. Coot looking great, dude.
Cooter.
Looking great.
Oh, nice. Are we about to halt down, bro? Probably are, aren't we?
Let's
Do
go.
you have the level 2 pulled up? Is it halting?
Yeah, I got it
I'm
here.
gonna add into a halt.
Oh, baby. Cuda. Dude. I'm gonna owe you. I'm gonna have to owe you something with this if we halt down. What you want for lunch?
Oh, you can eat sushi.
I love it. Love it. Do I take any off? I don't know. Start trimming.
I think it's gonna halt down and probably set into just nightmare zone, but I don't want to get too greedy.
Oh, I'm feeling greedy, but it's under the open now, which I like, right? We're under the open. Maybe it pops here, but you know, see some kind of profit taking. But the open's at like 390, dude. I think this thing stays heavy. Who is buying the seed oil thing right now? Who?
Right?
Tell me who.
What is my thing? Why am I frozen? What the hell?
Seed is still hanging up there. Unfortunately. Seed. Yeah, seed's over 2. Seed's kind of popping up there. I'm gonna have like a 230-ish stop on seed.
Yeah.
I don't want to, if that's gonna be the one that gets it. Coot, still haven't taken anything off there. That would be a massive reclaim for Coot to reclaim those levels.
Yeah.
I mean, it still has not really dumped, you know? Mm-hmm. But here,
The halt was almost there. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. It's trying to find like that little false support, but I think the next it's gonna end up in a halt down, and then let's hope.
yeah, Omer starting to go sideways on 10.
Is it Omer's kind of basing out?
Yeah, around the 10 area. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I mean, if it doesn't bounce much here, it's gonna be on elevator watch. The same token.
So I got CRML Coot working, and then those two
Nice.
up top there.
Nice.
I don't. Coot, I just.
I like Coot bigger picture. I don't want to be greedy, but I'm being greedier because I'm on my eval. But I mean, I'd say take some off and like keep up core and then re-smack on a pop. You know, like that's my philosophy.
I did not, haven't taken any off, but
I thought it was about to hold down. So
I like being greedy with some winners,
Mm-hmm.
I like struggling with that fear of losing money when you are already.
the gains.
They got like a hot tub out back over there.
What's
a little,
that?
A little blow up hot tub. Your name?
Probably, yeah, something like that. See if Omer's gonna dump more.
Yeah, it's annoying. It's annoying. Like a 20-cent pop off the lows right here.
It's gonna be wiki. I mean, it's up hundreds of %, so it's gonna be a little pop. You know, yeah, that's a good area to put your stock.
Yeah, just let it keep working. I mean,
Yeah, if you tunnel in too much, it's gonna be real wiki. We know that.
all right. What else were you looking at, guys?
Omer is
Seed 220 is very good still right now. Omer basing around 10. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking like
IRBT
put
strike.
a tight stop on Omer and look for an elevator.
Okay.
But yeah, it's starting to kind of base though. Let's keep an eye on it. It's been real weak, so I mean, if it doesn't get any love here soon, it's gonna wash out, guys. Omer, elevator watch, guys.
S dot's been very heavy still. 1150 pop right there.
Coot weak again.
I like to hear that.
Oh, Coot.
All right. CRML back at the lows. Nearly stopped me out. Yeah,
And then S dot gave an entry.
yeah.
That thing is a piece of shit. It's like so. I don't know.
Omer under 10 again.
Yeah, so
It's
Omer
right on that 10 line. I don't know.
Dude, between these few plays, man, we got our hands full.
Yeah, we do.
Like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Coot looks like great. Like, Coot is just really starting to shape up to what we wanted it to be.
Omer, the only thing that scares me is they actually do have some kind of news going on.
Yeah, Omer, just keep a tight stop there. If the uptrend, if it starts to play around and wiggle a little bit, just be out of it. Like, my stop is literally at 10-2-1. I'm looking for an elevator on Omer. Stop 10-2-1. Coot on elevator watch.
And what about S dot?
S dot, I don't know. I don't want to spread myself too wide because I'm also in seed. So I'm working seed, Coot, and Omer right now. And I feel like on the phone, I can't manage more than 3 positions on my phone. This is already too much. So Omer, yeah. So Omer, Coot, and seed, guys, are my plays. Because like seed, like if we like look at this chart, dude. Seed, like that's just so ugly. Like if
it-
we start to just give
yeah.
up a little bit, like there's a lot of room down.
It almost looks like, I mean, there's just any pop up is just
Yeah, look at that, dude.
is
I mean,
good because there's so much resistance overhead. All right, come on, stock market gods, give us something to work with. They approved my payout, dude. I'm good.
That's awesome. Bro.
Even though one trade they said we
Yeah,
could have invalidated.
Yeah, they're like, but we'll give you a break.
We'll get, yeah, they said that. Well, because, dude, I mean, seriously, y'all are going to go through I trade a lot, and I'm never going for home runs. So y'all are
Yeah.
going to look at every single one of my, like,
Yeah,
30 40 $50 trades.
Yeah, you're dialed in, bro. Like they're
The
sure.
sizing that I'm working right now has me dialed in. Like, if I'm too heavy, I take it off too early. If I'm too light, I mess up there. I'm up $50 on Coot right now. And I'll take half off here in a little bit. I just trade so much better when I'm
Yeah.
going for these smaller, like $50, $100 trades. It keeps me from like lasering into one, two. And then if I get 10 of those in a day, dude, $500. Let's go.
So I think seed off like 2.4, 2.3.
Elevator watch, Coot. Sorry, I just like yelled
You're
straight over
good,
you.
dude. I'm
You're
balls
like,
deep in
so-
Coot. You're good.
So S
Music
dot
Myers.
Coot.
Omer is working, guys. The Omer play, that heavy off that 10.
I'm about to take half off on Coot. I just want to see if we're going to get that elevator down. If we're popping back over 350, I'm just going to go ahead and take half off. But otherwise, looking for that elevator down here at the lows on COOT. Come on, baby. Come on. It's sitting there stagnant. Seed oils. Today ain't your day.
Yeah, like what?
It ain't your day, seed oil. CRML working out great too right now. We're about to snap to new lows. Coot. Come on, let's see the 330s. 330s. Can we get the 330s? 320s, 320s, 320. Oh, we may halt down right here, bro.
Are we?
It's getting weak. It's getting weak. Looking heavy. Coot. Snap into the 330s. Any pop, I'm about to take half off here any second. I'm adjusting the stop, but yep, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm coming out half right there. Low 340s. I'm adjusting the stop on it, and I'm going to let the rest ride. Good. All right. 380 has got to pop up to take me out. CRML looking great right there as well. I'm about to take half off CRML as we hit new lows. Yeah, dude, this thing's profit taking, man. CRML.
Seed looks like a decent entry, guys. S dot.
Half off CRML.
Coot.
This is good, man. It's good.
Good work.
Shaping up to be a good day. Seed, I'm with, but it's kind of sitting there right around my entry.
Omer basing a little bit.
Good, good, good. Shaping up to be a Q plus day, guys. Boom, ba-dum. What? So in chat, let me know. Like, what do you guys prefer? Because with the stream, like, yeah, obviously I'm in Orlando, so it's a little difficult here. But like moving forward, I could put the scanner on the screen, like my chart, like we've been doing TOS or trade the pool. Whatever is most helpful, I want to do on stream because
Yeah, we
obviously
could like
just-
voice over and commentate while the stream's on or something.
yeah, if scanners are better. IRBT at new highs right now. Need a chart plus the cam.
Omer, guys, don't throw in the towel yet. It's back under 10 again.
Well, right now it's just kind of hard. Let me try to do that though. Trade the pool. Yeah, here's trade the pool. So I'm working leftovers in the 2 green trades right now, and in red and the little red on seed and EDHL. But I'm at 0.5 Q right now. So looking, I could be up about 1 Q if I took the rest off. I'm gonna let leftovers work though on the rest of those plays, CRML and COOT. But seed, what are we doing, seed? Come on. Seed just took me out in the 230s. I mean, it still looks good. It's inverse head and shouldering on the day, but I'm not giving it tons of risk
that's
here.
annoying. These reclaims on the seed oil names are really frustrating. They're just wicking everyone around, chopping everyone out.
Yeah. Yep. So I can, yeah, we could have the scanner up too. Let's see where that is. Scanner.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Like have a small, like our faces minimized in the corner, and then like we're voicing over the scanner or the charts or whatnot.
Yeah. Yeah, there's scanner right now. We can voice over that.
So we're just sitting back in these three guys. Like I've been preaching, kind of the bigger picture fade here today. If we're gonna get an unwind.
C just put in a liquidity pop up
see,
to
of
240.
course, it just took me out. It's a freaking pig, dude. I hate this manipulation, man. It's like breaks that key level and then reclaims all the way back up.
If we're on the right side, it's like we gotta stay on
Seed
the
is
right
not, yeah, Seed's only up 60%, so I'm just going to kick back with Coot because that one is more overdone. You know, Coot's up 300%, Seed's only up 60%. So, like, manage your risk according to that, right? Omer is still heavy, guys. Omer could be the one that just fades to 8, 7 and sweat free. It's given levels. Check it out. It's just kind of creepy crawler there.
Yeah, Omar, Perfect Fall just
It
mentioned that
could
one
trap
too.
us though, but it's like kind of on elevator watch.
1050. I still like 1050 on that. For like honestly a move back under 9.
Cool, just bringing stops down there. Watch it go low. That's my kind of show.
Alright.
King of the dip. Cooter. Come on, Cooter.
Yeah. Yeah, see, that's really annoying.
Yeah.
Honestly, I do like it here. I mean, look at all the resistance.
I
250,
know,
60,
it's so
70s.
annoying, man.
You don't want to focus the ones that are not paying out, you know. But
Yeah, it's just the classic, just been too eager, too eager to short this theme, and then it reclaims, get a bad entry. And now you're just getting stopped out where you should be getting at. It's the classic.
D-fly. I mean, there are energy plays that are up. I don't think I'm trading that sector, but like D-fly straight up.
The experience of it is just telling me to stick with Coot because it's bearish. It's up the most on the day. Omer also looks really good for a continuation short. S-Dot and Seed are a little bit choppier. They're up a good bit, but they're not up as much.
S-Dot bear flagging here.
Mm-hmm.
S-Dot bear flagging.
S-Dot has been real weak.
It's right on the open.
It's
1150.
it just did that little sweep right there too.
Yeah,
But
11.
but it then kind of grinded up since though.
1150 looks fairly good there.
It
What
might be
was-
like algorithm fake out for the elevator down.
Oh, this is one of the soybean tickers.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the other one we've been monitoring. That S-Dot. We haven't talked about it as much, but Coots,
1150 is really good there. I think S-Dot's
Look.
worth something right here. Is Coot on elevator watch?
3.5 is going to be pretty key going forward, guys.
God dang it. Okay, there we go.
And then Omer is working. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I stopped out a Seed painfully, but yeah, like I continue to say, I mean, just look at that reclaim, dude.
S-Dot. Oh my God, S-Dot's probably a good entry right here. Yeah, the reclaim on Seed. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Yeah, S-Dot against like 1150s. I think I'm going to stab at it and go kind of smaller on it.
It just rejected so hard. It's like, what bulls are going to continue to buy this thing up?
Yeah,
Especially if the cult leader Coot just continues to fade. Like, how are these other names going to?
S-Dot getting involved there, smaller, but it's it's bear flagging and rejecting.
S-Dot.
1140s, 50s, I think is good risk there. 1151 just for good luck, and stay heavy.
Yeah, one of the big boy shorts was calling this thing as a scam yesterday.
That bear flag was looking good, man. Power in the numbers, bro.
Yeah, off
Power
that
in the numbers.
11.5, I was getting involved too.
APLM huge gap up and halt. Okay, APLM. Let's pull that up. Yeah, S dot rejecting hard there. That's
Yeah,
what I'm
dude.
saying, dude. We're so dialed into it, like
Yeah,
flipping through these tickers together.
for sure. Yeah, 100%, dude. Like we kind of realized that, and
We trade so alike.
Like
it
when I
feels
followed
like
your stream and stuff, I'd be calling out plays and stuff, and we realized we had a lot of similar stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But like that's a whole different level trying to text and read chat versus like voice, you know, in person.
it feels like there's a copy of us to look
Yeah.
at these trades. That's
Yeah.
what's helpful.
And it prevents that like dark, just tunneling like spiral too, because like you're held accountable. Like you're not like
All right. Yeah. The accountability's huge. And
So-
and then we can slap each other in the
Omer,
face if we're
man.
about. See, just 243 reject, dude. It did.
I
probably
know.
did the
I
damn
think
work.
I'm just gonna be
Avoid.
humble and avoid seed.
Yeah.
Because like I have Omer that's screaming, I have Coot that's screaming, and we have S dot. They're all screaming.
Omer looks
So
like it's
just
the
don't
rug.
get too convicted, but these plays look good.
Omer looks like the rug is about to be pulled, but if not, that's like a right or right out. It's like if that thing
That's what
starts.
I. Off 10-2 is where I took it off.
Oh,
for
you
the
took
rug,
it?
for
Okay.
the rug idea,
I might check
and it's
that
held
shit.
so far,
Get
but
this damn
it's
thing to work.
it's held so far, but.
KD stepbrother movie vibes. All right.
That's funny.
I'll take it. That's a compliment. Yeah, Omer. It's like, it's just kind of volume dies out and then it sits right here on this support level where it feels like something's about to happen with it. It's like, is it about to hold
Just
and
put
pop
in
up?
another wick right here.
Yeah, another little wiki wick. I'll get involved with it small.
Coot, heavy still, guys.
Against 10-20 Omer, just heavy. Just small against like 10-20s. Right or right out. It's either gonna stay heavy or it's gonna wick up and stop me out. But yeah, that's the idea for me on it. Involved in 5 right now, dude.
Yeah, it gets overwhelming. I think that's what I realized. Like, I think 5 is probably that max for me.
Yeah,
Like, as a day trader, it really there's too many moving pieces.
and I'm real tempted once we keep getting the payouts going to go back to C Pro because there's like not much overhead. But that is the one issue that I'm having. It's like I can't really be involved with 5 of it
And then
unless
it's-
I put in
yeah,
like $5,000.
And it's all your own money too. Like it's easier to manage multiple positions and have less like stress when like it's on the prop, right? But yeah, like managing your own trades, it really like we talked about. It's just that cost to entry, like paying for the locates. That's like really big.
I don't know, dude. I stress on this funded just like it's my money. I mean, because it is my money.
Yeah.
70% of it's my money.
Yeah, once you're funded, I mean it's like legit. Yeah,
It's legit.
yeah, for sure.
You know, people say like you're paper trans. I treat this the funded like this is my
It's
money.
paper money.
Because I just got paid out, man. Like I'm
Yeah.
paying myself with this. This is my money.
Exactly, bro.
70% of it's
awesome.
my money.
Yes.
Omer, let's stay heavy against 10-20. Come on. S dot working out. EDHL's been the only one really that hasn't been cooperating. Omer,
That STI,
you have a what?
that thing's.
STI. Yeah. Well, did she sell off?
She's got a little selling, but it's like
Coot
it's-
looks like it's working out. New lows right at lows, Coot. So we
Cooter.
could be on elevator watch.
Cooter.
Yeah, STI is such a little piece of
Yeah.
piece of crap, dude. AQMS too. Yesterday I knew to walk away, dude, because those 2 plays, like perfect falsetti, blacklisted. I'm like, I was just like, F today, dude. This is not working out.
Yeah, I went through that. Yeah, yesterday wasn't that.
Yeah, but it wasn't good for any of us that are funded and getting payouts. So clearly, it's like there's
The
something
power
there.
of walking away is really what's gonna save you at the end of the day.
Yeah.
I had a gut feeling too, and I didn't listen to myself, and I had to be mad at myself again. But we're evolving.
Yeah, I agree. Just minimizing it. I lost more than I should have, but at a certain point. It's like over the progression of your trading, like you know when today is not your day. So it's either you're gonna listen to that or you're not.
Yeah, 100%. And we've never made it. We're always making it, guys. Like, you know, we might come on here and teach or this or that, but no one's perfect.
Yeah,
You know,
absolutely.
we have flaws, and you guys are gonna see that. You know, not every day is gonna
Yeah.
be just. Rainbows
Well, I think
and
that's what
fairy
causes
tales.
people to have like hesitation from even streaming. But as made evidenced on my account, like, dude, I like this just the journey. Like, get on here. I want everyone to get on the stream and have the Friday nights
Yeah,
and talk
man.
about it because
It's helped me a ton, bro.
yeah,
Like, I think it's really helped me and you together. Like,
I think so.
Teaming up and being on stream, like
They say if
I've
you
noticed a direct correlation.
they say if you need something, give it away. Like if you need a friend, be a friend. If you need to get funded, then help
Yeah,
other people
that's
get
true.
funded. Like
Yeah.
whatever you need, try to give it
Seriously,
away.
yeah, you put it out there.
Mhm.
You know, you help others out, and you're vulnerable and stuff. Like,
Yeah.
it's all good stuff.
S dot working, dude.
Let's go, bro.
Freaking go.
Good work, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, damn, big green on those.
We called that bear flag on S dot. That
Yeah.
thing is.
So S dot, yeah. I mean, S dot, Omer, and Coot, just working those, and
You're in S dot as well.
yeah, I'm in those three. I'm gonna start bringing my stops down a little
I've been
bit.
sitting all morning.
Are we about to halt? Yeah, dude. You can step outside, get some fresh air if you want.
I just sitting on the airplane, sitting in the airport, sitting
Exactly.
on this damn shuttle bus, sitting here, sitting there.
Sitting with no backrest on that janky chair. You want to swap chairs, bro?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Now we're about to be sitting at the sushi restaurant because it's looking
Yeah.
like a Q plus day.
Seed, you freaking piglet. Yeah, so I'm glad I just avoided that one. Something told me to. S dot working, Coot working. I'm about to just take Seed off the watch list. I hate this stock. I'm
Yeah,
literally
like
it's
that's
off
why,
the watch list.
dude. We're
It's-
focused on all the stuff and you know focus on what's working, what's not working, and
Mm-hmm.
let the winners work. Minimize the losers. Omer's just kind of sitting there, like it's like that. That I'm gonna minimize. We know to minimize that. S dot. Did we stay heavy here? Did we stay heavy here? I mean, this is the seed theme. I don't know how leveraged I want to be on that theme, but honestly, maybe all the way. Like if all of them are gonna sell off together, why not?
Yeah, exactly. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Oh, sorry, I still got the scanner up there. Shit. Y'all want to see these? Y'all want to see your faces? Rose, where you at?
Yeah, where's Rose? She's got to make her appearance.
Rose's got the face.
They're
Come
both
on.
there, chilling. Yeah, she does.
Yeah, this is a great time.
Yeah, because I mean, look at, like, for example, when the theme dies, the theme dies.
Yeah, like
ELBM,
the
Exhibit A.
batteries
Right.
yesterday. Yeah. Yep, ELBM, GWH, those. Yeah, I'm just kicking back, dude. I might take a piece off S dot. I don't know.
Yeah, let's just work those,
Just
bring our stops down.
Pay myself along the way.
Let's go, dude. Good and green on all these printing right now. bro.
Yeah, printing.
Everything just dumped. Let's go.
Everything you're dumping. Is that where you're going?
No, no. I said everything is dumped.
All right, S dot. I'm gonna take a piece. Take a piece off of that. Coot's working great. I mean, Omer's working now.
Print it, print it, print it. Cooter.
CRML. I mean, dude.
Good boy, Cooter. Good boy. That's a good boy, Coot.
That certainly is a good boy.
Is it halting?
I don't.
That's a good Cooter. Good old Coot. And it's like, guys, this is just the beginning.
I'm gonna take some more off. Just. Even though it's just the beginning, I'm just gonna leave a small piece.
keep a core and work that volatility both ways, right? That's my philosophy. Like, S dot working, Omer working, Coot working. Let's go, guys.
I guess seed. I got some slippage on because I haven't taken. I took a little heavier loss on that one. I think. CRML. That one's kind of sitting down here. I'm gonna reduce the stop on that. Uzo, thanks for Coot. Got 300 on it. Good.
Let's go.
Let's go. Coot coot.
And guys, I mean, I'm in this for the long haul. My price target on Coot is like $2. Did we just halt down?
I'm down to like no shares on Coot. Dude, I'm on
That's
like,
not good.
I know.
Just bring your stop down and find a new risk level, like 3.5, 3.6 now.
I mean,
right?
I like the chart, but
Yeah,
I'm only in tiny
Mm-hmm.
quarter of 100.
yeah, and the thing is, we can't chase as much on the funded either, right? Like, you might not even be able to take that trade right now. They might not count it.
You're right. Yeah.
Come on, Coot. Omer.
Omer's working out. I mean, I'm
Honeyhole.
just sitting here watching the green, dude.
Yeah, exactly, man. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, let's not overcomplicate it. We have our hands full. What do we need to be looking at more gainers when we got 3 screamers right in front of us? Like, I literally said that like 20 minutes ago, and everything just dumped. Because when the market tells us that, just, you know, and the same goes in the opposite, right? Like on a day like yesterday, when the bulls are just roaring and nothing's working, what is the market telling us? Like, we either flip bias or walk away. Like,
Yeah, exactly.
we can't just, you know, like you said, you can be wrong, but you cannot stay wrong. And if you do stay wrong, you're going to blow your account and you're not going to make it. You're going to have to restart from scratch if you don't want to be wrong and accept it. Because that's the thing. Like, that's what happens with me with, you know, in the past. It's like those blow up days where you just don't want to be wrong. Like, I'll
Yeah.
start big green and I'll end up blowing my whole account because I don't want to be wrong. I'm over biased. And it's like, as soon as you lose that money you made, it's almost like having a red day, the same psychology,
Yeah.
right? How you're like, all of a sudden, you're slowly slipping off the cliff and turn into a gambler. You're like, I need to make my money back. Like, I'm
You know
gonna,
what?
and you're not thinking with the edge and the dealer mindset anymore. You're thinking with that degenerate, well, I can over risk a little bit. This setup, I can make it back on this trade. And then what happens? Like, you take one more loss, and now the hole's deeper. Your psychology's worse. Like, I'm telling you guys, I've lived and breathed this shit for 5-10 years. Like, I know what I'm talking about.
You do. I mean, what you're saying, I think we both leveled up to a degree. Yesterday, I was slipping into that. I could tell. I was like, okay, now I'm sizing up and
Yeah.
I'm trying to start making.
I did
I'm
the
like,
same exact thing yesterday, dude. And it started so simple, right? It's like, I'm up way Q over the day. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to go shoot some basketball, get a little bit of sun, right?
Yeah.
But I left like 5 positions working, smaller size, from the phone, let them continue to work. I go play basketball. My dad calls me. On the phone, my dad, chop it up. Everything starts to go against me at once. Like, the whole market turns. Like, we saw it. We all talked about it, how nothing started working. All of a sudden, I give away a couple $100 and I feel myself getting a little tilted now. Like, I'm up on the day. I was up good on the day, but I gave a third or a half of it back. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, man, what the heck? And now I'm stubborn. Now I want to oversize a little bit. Now I want to take those less setups. And guys, like, this is, we've been
That
doing
aren't
this
there.
for 5 or 10 years. Like, these are problems that we have to face and, you know, learn to deal with and maneuver, guys. Like, this is just pure reality. Damn, SDOT, dude. These things are printing.
yeah, no, you're speaking the truth, man. Honestly, that's what's been on my mind the most lately is on the days that it's not working, don't stay wrong. Because like you said, like the 3 of us that are funded and getting payouts, we all 3 of us, we had red day, or I can't remember if Perkfall had a red day, but it was a difficult day. It was a challenging day. And then you start, like, you have to be able to walk away and not try to look for setups. Like, that's why we say let the trades find you. We don't find the trades because once you start getting tilted, then you start trying to look for the setup.
Yeah, you're seeing stuff that's not there.
And I could tell I was slipping into that. And I did a little bit. And I'm like, okay, you know, I'm walking away. This is, it's
100%.
not my day. And I know that's okay. And we got to learn to be okay with those red days because guess what? It's like, we know we'll have today's not our day, but we know tomorrow is going to be this.
Exactly.
We know
exactly.
we know tomorrow we're going to come in with a fresh mindset and it's going to be a great day. So we have to stop. Like, you know how we say don't focus on singular setups? Well, don't focus on single days
Yes,
either. Like,
yes.
try to wide big picture as much as possible. Now, granted, it's great when you get like a trade like Coot that may halt down and give you like several points, but if we're red on that trade, it should not make or break the account. You know, like one trade.
100%, dude. Yeah, it's so true. Because I mean, I've done that. I've done that a lot. You know, I've had good weeks, good runs, and then you get that one day where you're just off and that slippery slope, and all of a sudden you're a degenerate gambler, and it's like, how did I even get here?
Yeah.
So yeah, like we all. That's why we're always preaching, guys. Just start, to keep it slow from the jump, so that you can never get to that point, right? By the time you hit max loss, you're not at that degenerate gambler stage. You're probably starting to get there, right? The mindset for the day, but you're not like. That's why having a max loss and respecting is really
Seed,
so
you
key.
son of a.
Oh my god, I hate that, dude. I literally said I'm taking it off watch. Market makers, man.
And you knew it. I mean, you were on this, but you traded it like with risk management. So good work on it.
Oh my god, man. Oh, that's so disgusting, bro.
Well,
I mean,
ma-
that's good for the general theme because it means that like
Maybe there's an entry.
We want them to
Could-
stay weak, but
After that, it's probably gonna stay weak. Like any pop up towards 230s now, this thing's done.
Mm-hmm.
I think we could still get involved with it, but it is way off of. It would have been fun to be involved. KD, did you get that? Yeah. So perfect fall. You were green on the day, but it was a challenging day.
look at
Yeah.
Omer, that freaking reclaim. Oh god.
Yeah, Omer was great, and now she's back up towards 10. I mean, 10-20 still must stop there, but I mean, I'm trying to let these work. It is what it is. Some will not, and some will.
Exactly. Yep. 100%.
That's hard. That's hard for me. Yeah, that fear of like being wrong and losing money. That's certainly those are my uphill battles. So that's why I will take things off along the way. I try to just make sure it's like, okay, I'm green on the day regardless.
Yeah.
Regardless, I'm green on this trade. What has Coot been doing?
Yeah,
Is she
that's
still
it's
doing
true
it?
how like the psychology, like they talk about like fear, greed based or whatever.
Mhm.
It's really interesting.
Pretty much.
Taffy, baby.
S dot's been working great. I mean, that one's still working out.
Mm-hmm.
This one's taffy.
Yeah, it's Taffy.
Taffy.
She's the one with asthma.
I love her coat's beautiful.
Yeah, she's a good girl. Pretty baby.
Yeah, man, what a morning, man.
Yeah, dude.
This has been good. Outside of
Yeah,
seed,
good and
F
green.
seed would have had me real good if that had happened like 5 minutes earlier. But
Yeah.
I know you too. But whatever, it happens. Manage the risk well.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just yeah, that's what can you do?
What can you do?
That's why we take multiple trades and we focus on the long game because, like we talked about, all of us are bound to have a bad day. We keep that bad day at a certain point, and these setups, like James, for example. James had like a 4Q day the other day, like after a bad day.
Mm-hmm.
Like, just bounce back. Don't ever set yourself up like I preach about. Continuing to go through that max loss and sit yourself in like a multi-day till. That's what you can't do.
Yeah.
Like you gotta respect that day and move on to the next one because we're seeing a lot of success in here. A lot of guys are making a lot of money, hitting really good profit targets each day. So let's just stick to the long game and know that we're on the right process, guys. So
I love it. Love it.
Coot looks like maybe a little baby Sloppy. Yeah, that's horrible, dude. It's
Giving
horrible.
Seed the finger right now.
I know. It's like I called that too. You know it. That gap where it goes into two and just washes out.
Yeah, it felt like one to scale into, but I've been trying not to scale. I hate it's. This is a complicated topic, like scaling a losing trade when
Yeah.
It just has to be predefined. Like if you predefine it prior, like I'm scaling to this level, max this
I'll
exposure.
take paper cuts to this point or whatever, like something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, dude. Probably cat hair everywhere.
Oh yeah, you got a lint roller. I gotta meet with. I gotta go to that money show later.
Yeah.
You coming too tonight?
I guess so. Yeah.
Maybe Rose will lick all this.
So
hair
that's
off of it.
tonight or today?
Tonight at
thing.
7 is like the dinner, and then whatever is going on. I don't.
Okay.
It's a big surprise. We'll see.
So it's a dinner at the hotel thing, or is it like people are meeting somewhere else?
I think it's at the hotel, but I'm not really. Maybe they're catering.
Is
I
it
don't
like
know.
free? Or you like pay to enter? How does that even work?
The money show. I think you got to pay to enter, but
Okay.
but tonight's I think they're taken care of.
Okay.
But there's a bunch of people coming out apparently too.
Cool. Big Bitter. See what's going on here.
Ah, that ain't no big bitter. Ain't no big bitter. Let me just, I don't know. Tempted to just lock up Q because S dot pretty much has me there if I lock that up.
Yeah, fall, man. You know exactly what we're talking about. You're right there with us.
Mm-hmm.
Going through it with us, brother. Good work. Great work.
Now,
Good
I'll
preservation.
say like the
Perseverance.
additional struggle I have is like on a green day, I kind of will push the brakes unnecessarily, maybe once I hit a target.
Okay.
There's a lot of, again, this is just, it's a deep rabbit hole we could go down.
Yeah,
You know,
we
like,
could talk forever, dude, about all this stuff.
there's like the Einstein of Wall Street. He was like, if you're $100 a day trader, like trade, get your $100 and get out. Just get it and get out. But then there's other arguments that's like, well, if that's your day and it's going really well, like push the gas.
Yeah.
It's hard to say. But then you give it back.
That's
But
the thing. It's like I've noticed like this week. I told you I had so much success pre-market, and then like I had a little bit of success at the bell and end of the morning, but like after lunch, it just tends to be choppy. So it's like
Yeah.
I know for a fact like when I have success and when I don't. It's just about having the discipline to not overtrade and come back in the afternoon, and we just get sucked in with these setups. It just looks so tempting, and yeah, man, there's a lot. There's a lot to break down.
Well, know your stats. Like you just said, if you tend to just give it back and that's your back testing, that's what it says, then probably, step away.
Yeah.
That's probably the right idea because that's what the stats say. I think I'm going to take Omer off. I'm falling out of love with it.
Yeah.
I'm
okay.
taking it off. After that low and pop there, I'm just going to...
Okay.
That may be emotional. It could still work out. I'm just
I see what you're saying though. Yeah, that's not a bad eye right there, to be honest. I think I'll adjust my stop to like right above 10.
Yeah, right above 10 was would have been my stop area on it too. Right now I'm just working S dot, Coot tiny leftovers, like IDGAF on that, and then EDHL has come back around. It's right near my average at EDHL, so I didn't stop out of that one yet.
Yeah, that's good. And I think what was really key is just like knowing what the predictable piece of the move is, right? And then not overstaying your welcome. It's like leave those leftovers, but don't overstay, right? Depending on the nature of the ticker in the market.
Right. 1020 adjusted stop on S dot.
I think probably what happened for us, guys, too, like when I was thinking about it and analyzing it, dang, Omer just kind of cracked down a little bit.
Oh well.
Yeah, was it? Hold on 1 second. I'm trying
Omer's
to
probably after that she may be good. I didn't like that sharp bounce off of that.
Yeah, I saw exactly what you were looking at. Saw the same thing.
But I'm kind of trading my P&L-ish I'm up Q, so I'm just kicking. I don't want to apply too much risk on the day after hitting the target.
Yeah. Like having that line in the sand where I'm only going to give so much profit back. I think that's the right recipe for the green. It's like you might be a little choppy intraday, but maybe once you hit Q or maybe like 2Q, right? Like I'm only going to give a quarter Q back after this or half a Q, 1Q back, right? Like just figure that method out because guys, like that's I know because I've done this for so long. That's the key to success and like not getting tilted on green days. Because not only can you get tilted on a red day, you get tilted giving away those gains you just made on the day. And I've noticed that, like I just talked about, some of my worst days, I might start 2-3Q up and then get over aggressive, have a couple of bad trades, and then my psychology's wrecked. I'm like, wow, I was just up 500, I gave it back. well, I can make that back quickly. And then what happens? You turn into that gambler mindset again. So drawing that line in the sand, like, okay, I'm up 1Q, I'll give a third Q back. Or I'm up 2Q now, let me only give a half Q back. You know, something like that.
Just like that, yeah.
Yeah, I read what Fall had said. Exactly. Yeah, so I think that's really, you know, a key takeaway.
Yeah, and I don't know. Sometimes I wonder for myself, is that the right approach? Because I will do that. Like I start sizing down, you know, but what if they're really good hands still? So that's the problem. It's like, okay, I'm up Q. This is a really good A+ setup, but I'm
Yeah.
like at quarter half size because I'm protecting the capital. I don't know. You know, I agree though. That's how I do it.
And then so that's like the fear of giving back.
Yes, yeah.
So I think it's like just finding that comfortable size, right, and then scaling in, like never being too aggressive with one execution.
I guess I struggle with
Like-
every damn fear then, except FOMO. FOMO, I kind of matured out of that. Like, actually, well, yeah, FOMO, I don't really deal with that anymore. I don't know if you don't either. It's early, I think everybody does. But yeah, it's like just maturing over the.
Yeah. I mean, I think, yeah, like Fall just said too, my worst day I started up big. And yeah, it really is true, guys. It's like just being aware of that psychology. And that's why the big wins feel great, right? But the big losses don't feel so good. And it's just, and that's why I respect Kevin so much for very disciplined with sizing, very disciplined with his risk management, very disciplined with the max loss day. And that's just true veteran trading, right? Like that's how you survive. Like that, if you want to be serious about this, like, and pull money out of the markets consistently,
Well-
that's how you have to be. Because what we just got done talking about, right? We know 99% of people blow their accounts up by over leveraging. They were probably right more times than they were wrong on the trade, right? They just had the bad entry and bad sizing. So it really all comes back to fighting your own emotions, whether that's, you know, the fear or the greed, right? The
Yeah.
greed to oversize or the fear to, you know, not let the trade work out, you know? And it's like mastering our emotions it goes hand in hand with like risk management and sizing, right? Like,
Yeah, no, I mean, honestly, I struggle with, like, you know, the envy at times too. I don't really do it. Like, you know, seeing everyone else's P&L, you know, where it's like, man, I want to have those huge green days. But once I know what works for me. Like I've grown I got the funded. The funded's been doing great. I got a payout. Now I'm having more good green days, and it's just I got the sizing that works for me. Sizing's a huge part of it. You need to be able to size where you just feel confident in yourself that you're going to think with clarity in the face of uncertainty.
Yes.
That is the market. You have to size appropriately for that. You know, we say the emotional dial
yeah,
on
it's
the
so
account.
true. It's so true.
So for me, it's like on these plays, where I may be just risking it, and it may be a little different, you know, per trade. If it's an A+, I may be risking maybe half Q on it. But I never want to get too sized into one position. I don't know. Honestly, dude,
That's smart.
that was a big level up. I think for me is figuring out what sizing works best
Yes.
for me. I never, because you saw the charts. Like as long as I don't get crazy, and I did that at CPRO. Like I would lose too
Degenerate.
much on degenerate on one trade.
Yep.
As long as, and that's why we.
And we felt that pain at CPRO and went through with all of our own
Yeah.
capital, like losing our whole account and having to wire another $1,000 or whatever there instead of just popping $100 in an eval. So like, you know, we've been through a lot of that pain, which is like that's why we always preach that, and that's why like Kevin is so rigid, because he understands that the only way to be successful is to be rigid, like rigid on that red day, rigid on that profit give back. Because like when we start being lenient and kind of slipping up, it's like we're breaking rules, and the system is not going to fire the way it's supposed to. It's not going to work the way it's supposed to.
It's not. Yeah, you're right. It's got to be that well-oiled, maintained machine, huh? It's got to be that way.
And like the more you size, the more the emotions are involved, the more potential you have to break your rules.
You want a size where you can really just kind of like almost not care.
Yeah.
I mean, you care, but it's not gonna make or break you. You know.
Yeah, you're in it. The stop's set. Like you can step away if you need to. Like there's times to size up and kind of dial in. Like I preach. Like when I'm working a winter, like I'll probably have more size and I'm comfortable to like step away or like go leave my house, right? But like if I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna size down. I'm gonna set the stops and I'll walk away, right? But never be in like a huge position, especially if you're not at your desk. Like don't ever be big because you just can't manage it. Like
Yeah. Something comes to mind with that. It's you gotta stay at the desk or have hard stops in place. Coot testing at 350 again. I'm just in Coot, S-Dot, and EDHL. EDHL's kind of like meh, but I had some more big picture play. Yeah, what are you working?
I'm in Coot, S-Dot, and Omer still.
Coot, S-Dot. Oh yeah, Omer is in the 950s. She's looking all right.
Yeah, the seed oil theme's giving up, guys. I mean, Coot is heavy, and it's got like if it breaks down this next level, I mean, it's got 50 cents or $1 more to fade.
I think it's
mean,
decent to like hit again even.
yeah,
right here,
it's given a lot of risk levels at 3.6 right now. I mean, you could even like
I've had a
scale
good
up
day
little
though. I don't.
Yeah.
I want to have a good
Yeah,
day
good
with
job,
you.
man. Yeah, man. It's like for the psychology to end on a green note. Yeah, for sure.
Where's your which bathroom's got,
Oh, yeah,
got
right.
the best pressure?
Yeah, that one right there. It's
I'm just messing.
the cat litter box is in there, but
What you want me to use that?
yeah, just use the litter box. The
Yeah.
the light's on the outside of the door, bro. Ethereum just dipped. I got a signal. Taking over command center, guys. I'm Kevin for the day. Welcome to Green Team Trading. With much smaller size, doing that worked out really well. Burned me bad the 2 other days. Yeah. Yeah, and that's the thing. Sometimes you'll learn the wrong lessons, right? But just the less is more philosophy, like I preach. Yeah, when you're starting out on an eval, you can be aggressive a little bit, knowing your risk to reward, right? Like you're risking $100 something to be funded with 1,000. But once you get close to that profit target, once you even get halfway there, start to scale down a little bit. And once you're funded, guys, like me and Kevin keep preaching, like just take it slow. Like we see the market for what it is. Like we're calling these things well. So the only thing that's going to prevent you from success is just getting too greedy, oversizing, being too ambitious. Like we see this market really well, this team, and we have a lot of good calls, a lot of good plays. Like we're on it. You just can't get too ambitious because then you'll blow up and you won't be there to make it for when Coot halts down to $2 like it's about to.
Yeah, so I know. So Perfect Fall and I, we were talking yesterday about sizing winners. Because Fall normally, he's getting good he's focused good on getting good single entries, and so when he sizes like the plays that aren't working, normally, like they're not working for a reason, right? Like he's trying to really lean in on that good just first entry,
Yeah.
and so he finds more success just like nailing good first entry.
First entry, yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah, because it's a slippery slope, the scaling thing. It's harder to like
I tried
systemize it. Probably.
when I was at Intensity Stockwatch over there, they do so well at sizing those losers. Even Modern Rock. I don't know if you followed him, but his charts, like, it's the Christmas tree, right?
Cool, guys. Yeah.
It's it looks so good and clean, like scaling. If that's part of the plan, I just fades for just for me though. It just what. I've found success, like getting this funded and getting the payout and working really well right now. I'm not sizing losers.
Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Like we've been on a good track. Like our progress says that. Like whatever we've done the past month or two works, and let's just repeat.
I've been trying to take note of that, and it has been maybe like Perfect Fall suggesting if trying to just get a good initial entry, and then if it's not working, just have it completely defined. And for me, setting the hard stops. Because over at C Pro, dude, because I'm such a degenerate with these shorts. Like it when they keep squeezing up, they are looking better to me. So I'm like, oh, let me just hit it again. And I
know,
I
man.
know that that's there, and so
Yeah.
I have to prevent myself.
and that's the thing, and especially on a 1K account, right? Like that process doesn't really work on a
Yeah,
1K
it's blown-
account
it's
because
blown to
it's
me.
like, what are you gonna take like a $25 starter position and then go to $50? Or like it's like you have to size so small to do that.
Yeah.
And then we've always talked about, it's like that one. All of a sudden, Trump tweets and like a seed oil company goes up 500% for
Yeah.
just
For
for
no
no
reason.
reason. Like stuff like that. Like the market, we have to remain solvent longer than the rational or whatever, right? And that's the thing, guys. And that's why like bias doesn't really matter. Like how many shorts just got annihilated on this move, dude? Like so many shorts just got
That were just-
annihilated.
that were
on the
in
seed
early?
oil scam.
That we're in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, after hours was crazy. I mean, I gave some up after hours of this, but I realized.
And the Omer.
Yeah.
But which
Omer's
so
working out.
yeah, like
Yeah, I
for
got
instance-
chopped up after hours, but I realized, I'm like, man, this Trump theme, it's strong. I was like, I knew big picture it would be a good short, but it's like, is it going to be a good short at what point? And that's why I didn't even call it out in Discord until like right around here. Like I called it in Discord right around that range. I actually called, essentially the top.
Guys,
on
when
Discord.
Fades alerts something in chat, like you gotta listen, because when he's alerting something, it means he's very serious.
Yeah, I
about it.
don't want to stick my neck out there and blow up chat and just be, So it's like if I'm putting something out there, I'm gonna put,
So by the way, yeah,
Soggy Peter.
with the Discord, which the Discord's been taken off, a lot of people have been joining it. So just that's in the description below. It's free, guys. It's free.
man.
We want everyone to be successful. That's
Look at that bag holder traditions coup.
cool. Yeah,
This thing was hanging around 60 cents before all this happened.
and yeah, traders. I mean, there's no. Oh, we missed that hangover.
Dude, that was JDZG is a good one to talk about, guys. I gave up I gave up so much of my profit. I was overbiased on this stupid China scam, and I kept hitting it, and it kept pumping. They were even diluting, like there was active dilution yesterday. And it's just, I got overbiased.
out of nowhere.
And I kept hitting it, and I kept giving back everything I made on other tickers.
As
And I
it was curling up
After
yesterday.
everything that I preach, guys, I still struggle with this, and this is full transparency.
So that's where
Because
you
I
messed
was
up yesterday.
overbiased on this stupid ticker, and I knew it was going to do what it did today, wash out to 220. I knew it, but it's like, again,
You can't trade.
I was right.
That's certainty.
I was right. I was convicted, and
over-
and I knew
over-leveraged.
what was going to happen.
Over leveraged.
But guess what? I was too aggressive. I was too leveraged. I was too biased. And I just ended up evaporating my profits on that stupid stock just for it to do what it was going to do.
Curling
so
up yesterday.
learn from that, guys. Learn from that.
Yeah, I appreciate you being transparent about that. I mean, yeah, I get it, man. Like, yeah, these even this morning, seed, like you felt that conviction. It's like I've seen this a million times. I know what's going to happen, but you stopped out well all that. Like you just have to stop out well. 'cause,
Yeah.
even though it worked out thereafter. See, the problem would be like seeing that and then, okay, next time I'm not stopping it.
Right,
and
right.
then-
I was getting back to that yesterday. I think I know the reason why we struggled yesterday, guys. Because what happened on stream, we got a little bit of FOMO because all those plays dumped and we missed it and the trend
Yeah.
kind of reversed. So I think what happened is naturally we're like, okay, it's time to step up to the plate a little bit. Market's dumping
Yeah.
today, right? And then what happened? We all got chopped out and wicked around.
Yeah, I was in this
my
AQMS yesterday. AQMS was a
Damn, you
miss.
called that, dude.
God,
You called
dang
that,
it.
and we got to pay attention to these themes that stay
There
hot
were
because
so
when they
many-
dump, they dump.
There were so many to get
Like,
involved
when
with
the
this
rug
morning.
gets pulled, it gets pulled. But guys, don't throw in the towel yet. Coot is looking super heavy, with a lot of room down. S dot, guys, S dot lower.
AQMS would have been freaking money, dude. We were in 5. I mean, I can only, and been up since 3 o'clock. So
Yeah,
it's been-
bro, you've had I know. I've been the last 2 mornings I got up at 4 a.m. This morning I got I had to get out of the way of these bulls, dude. That theme, that seed oil theme, dude, it chewed me up after hours, and like this morning it was still pumping. I'm like, God, this stupid freaking. I'm over here at Health Nut. I know seed oils are bad for our bodies. I'm like, this is crazy. Freaking Warrior Bulls buying this Australian seed company up 400% just because Trump tweeted about seed oils. Like,
Oh man,
you can't make this up, dude.
you can't make.
Did you
it.
bring me a hat?
I'll send you one. Yeah.
I meant
thinking
to ask you, or no, I'll buy one from the shop or whatever.
No, I got you.
I meant to ask you
I
that,
I
yeah.
thought about it too late. I'm like, I should send. Yeah, but I'll send you one.
I had just thought about it.
You deserve it off of this coot.
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm looking for the halt down here, guys.
Oh man, Doug, this is why you.
Whoa.
God dang it!
Here, dude. Let's swap out.
Shit.
Here.
No, I mean you're good, man.
We can swap.
You're good.
Yeah, we'll take turns. You get. You
I
gotta.
about looked like an idiot there on the stream. like I need any
This
help
one's
with
a little bit
that.
high riser.
Doug, yeah, I mean, look, this morning's been a great stream, dude. I mean,
Yeah.
I was like, this is what I was hoping for, like today. Like, okay, can we just get a good day in? Like,
Yeah.
Fades and on.
Omer, guys, just covered that. Kind of rebound a little bit here.
That's not
Sharp eye on Omer.
beautiful. I mean,
Yeah, S dot and Coot still in those. Keep an eye on S dot. Don't want it to reclaim too much here. I want to secure the bag. I'm gonna bring my stops down there.
that is AQMS is very painful for me, but that's all good. It's all good. I mean, you can't hit them all.
Nope.
Can't hit them all. But we certainly hit a lot more together because
Yeah, we do.
we're like
If you're not seeing something, I am, and then Fall's seeing something, or Uzo, or James, or whoever in chat, Kayvon, like whoever's calling something,
Yeah.
like there's really power in numbers, guys.
so you don't like iced coffee.
Huh?
You were like get whatever. I'm like you like.
Dude, I'm not picky, bro.
You're not picky.
I can brew us a little bit more if you want, though.
Yeah, I had to stop and get something because
You want another little shot? You've been up.
I'm
since
good.
early.
I'm good right now.
Okay.
I'm good. Good.
Cooter.
Comedy Central, Doug. Oh man, this is a fun one. I might
Yeah,
this is
actually
have to
cool.
go revisit this and watch this stream. I might
Yeah, there you
can
go.
learn something.
Yeah, for real, man.
Sometimes I just don't even listen to myself, dude. Like that's the damn problem.
Yeah, go back and like listen to yourself, literally.
I'm like,
Like
Kevin,
you
why are
said,
you
it's like
doing this?
we're putting that out there for everyone, and we're speaking to ourselves at the same time. Like,
yeah.
I'm just like, I feel like Coot's just gonna pay us, man. Like, I don't see are the Bulls gonna somehow find rhythm here? Like, off 3-6 to really get heavy.
Yeah, I'm thinking about even just taking off, starting another position smaller. You know,
Exactly.
risking less. But
Yeah, I mean, it looks really good off
I don't know,
3-6.
three. Yeah, I was thinking like
Maybe like a sweep to 3-8 or something, you know?
yeah.
Like, get involved, maybe look for that sweep up or a test, but it might not even give it, man. It just might not.
I wish you would have. I wish your computer would have worked for you on the funded today, dude.
Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah,
man.
but you're doing good on the email.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Green Day.
Green's all we can ask for. A green team.
Just looking at my situation here. So S dot. Do I want to
You
cover
with
this?
Fades over here with his phone
I'm
that
shut
died
out,
and his
yeah.
iPad. You're dialed in with it though.
The seed oil, man. Seed oil theme. It might try to find the support there. I think I'll take it for now, but I think Coot is worth like the attention, right?
Yeah.
Like, okay, S dot up 80% still, okay? Like the whatever that stupid China seed company, it's up like 50% now, right? But Coot is still up 250% from all this irrationality. So, like, the experience tells me that one might have the meat to pick, but it could also, you know,
This thing reversing into the $4 area.
It would be
is
brutal,
so
man.
unlikely.
It's the king of the day. It's the clear king of the day. But it's been bearish as all get out since
Unless
open.
unless they're just accumulating shorts,
Yeah.
like nonstop.
That's why I
for-
like 3.6, like 3.7 now. Like even back towards 4 would be sketchy at this point.
Yeah, the open at 380s. I mean, it should stay heavy there if you're going to try to work this, but have a hard stop on it because this thing, if some Chad jumps in here and tries to and they squeeze it up on convicted shorts, it'll get nasty real quick. So it should stay heavy and fade, but just make sure you always are wearing protection.
Yeah. I'm scaling my stops just above 3.6 to protect myself. Dad's calling me. He's like always trying to get my advice on these stocks, like the penny pumps and stuff.
Oh yeah,
He's trying to get involved in some metal plays. Like, yeah, he just manages his own stock portfolio. Like he's got like 10 or 15 stocks he's in and out of and stuff. And sometimes we'll like be on some plays together. Back when I was a bull, like we would get in long plays together and stuff and clean up. But it's like,
He's still a bull.
yeah,
you're the bear.
It's like
He's
if
the
I
bull.
see something super bullish, I can tell him about it and whatnot. But I'm just so bear-minded now. Like after seeing the success I had, it's just like it's there every day. Like sure, there's long plays that we miss, but the bear route is consistency daily.
I know.
And it's not overcomplicated. It's not wondering. It's not following gurus, predicting, like worrying about that dump that could come.
You
like,
just look at these tickers up many hundreds of percent and you short them. And,
Yeah,
and
it's
we've
like-
been getting funded in payouts, and there's not complicated. That's
Yeah.
what I love about it too. Like,
And
dude,
even like people that are new, like we've been in the game for 5-10 years. We've been through it all. We've been bulls. We've been here, done this, done that. But now we have a process.
Yeah.
And there's new guys that only have 6 months, a year of experience. New girls that follow us that are seeing success in our method, in our strategy, in our process.
I think most people will figure it out before me. Like, I'm a slow learner. It's taken me a long time, but for most, it probably will. It's going to take a few years. I mean, at minimum, it's probably going to take 3, 4, 5 years just to like figure yourself out as well as figuring out like the edges out there. Like experience is the best teacher. You gotta have the experience. Otherwise, like you just start over trading. Like so many people, they just over trade and then they don't know. And then it's like they don't know the good setups, so they don't know like how to size. So they might be at the poker table like oversizing on a 7-2 offsuit, but they just have no clue. But yeah, dude, when I was like bull minded, when it's starting out, just like you were saying. I mean, it's difficult because you have to kind of predict like where is the volume going to be and is it going to stay here and is it's not easy unless like I guess what is easy is more on the bull side of things is probably swing trading like those tend to pan out more. Like I've had more success with that, but shorts, dude, it's like
or like large cap momentum kind of thing,
Yeah, I just like showing up late. And honestly, we trade the same thing. Like I don't really want to trade the reputable tickers and like I love the cheap crap that is so diluted.
Yeah.
And it's like you just know their financials are awful.
Right.
They need an offerings.
like Coot, like this Coot.
Yeah. It's simpler for me to react, right? Like these little crappy companies are pumping and
Man, I'd love to see it just to break down here and like form a big old head and shoulder pattern off the threes and just wash the twos. That'd be a freaking great day here. S dot guys is giving levels off 10 to still stick around there.
yeah, I adjusted my stop on that S dot.
You're still riding it out.
I'm in
okay.
leftovers
Yeah,
from $11
I'm gonna re-smack a leftover kind of position.
against 10. I mean,
Yeah, against 10, exactly that. Because it's just that sword point.
Emmanuel up 105 on the day, good. I mean, honestly I feel like I've missed a lot too, though. Emmanuel, there's been a lot of good
It's been
setups.
hectic. I don't even have my computer. Like Kevin was getting in late, but we're here, guys. Again, it's just one day. Curb that FOMO. Take a good setup when you see it. We've been calling out setups. We printed some money this morning together. Hopefully you guys did too. good and green day for us.
AQMS.
Life is good.
Yeah. TMQ, AQMS.
Protect the profit like we talk about. You know, if it starts to turn on you, you get back some profit, walk away. You're green. And just know everything we talked about, how like the psychology, like that.
Thank you, Uzo. That means a
Omer
lot. The
pumped.
world. That means the world. Yeah. Honestly,
Awesome.
I think we are finding success and growing here because I think you guys can see like that we absolutely desire to help the traders, find success. Like we're not funneling like marketing, like
yeah.
oh buy this, buy
Right,
that, sign up
right.
for the chat room,
Yeah.
and then buy the course and this and that. It's like
We're literally just polishing our strategy together. Like found each other on the journey. Like very similar walks, stories. Like we're like the same age. Like we're like true like stock brothers here, and yeah, it's pretty cool.
the green team as a whole. What do you mean, Uzo? Like with the brand? Yeah, the green team's sticking. It's sticking. That's like I started calling the
Yeah.
team green, and that's just
Give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna check in with Pops and see what he's talking about.
dude. Yesterday when he called, it was. I might need to liquidate my position.
Yeah, I know, dude. Seriously, like it can be that simple. Like, dude, I don't want to talk about it. It's all right. It's just one day, bro.
This is one day. All right. Yeah, this is too much fun, guys. This is living the dream. Living the dream with the green team. Let me know if you guys have any questions at all. I'm gonna flip through some tickers. It looks like SANA just pumped out of nowhere. I guess that's why the Cooters went on somewhere else to Sana. That's like out of nowhere. That's what I'm saying with predicting, like with the longs. Just trying to predict what play is, unless you're in those chat rooms but you're getting front runned. They front load their positions. I've been a part of them, guys. I know how they work. It's very, they ain't good. They're not teaching you for real how to, for the most part, it's not trading. You're just jumping in with 5,000 people on something. It's GNPX, that play, oh man, dude. GNPX right up to $1, hit $1.10, and that was an excellent setup there. GNPX straight up to $1. I love shorting those dollar moves because that's such a strong resistance level with the bid price rule. These companies have got to stay over $1 for 6 months consecutively or they get delisted. So that creates such a tough area. GNPX, yeah, $1.10. $1.20 would have been the risk there. Throw that one on watch though. Like honestly, I'm fine. Yeah, even yesterday, it's like okay, I walked away yesterday down $100, which I should have really only been down like 30, 40, 50 on yesterday. But I was slipping into the, I want to try to find trades versus the trades finding me. So Omer popping up towards 1040. Yeah, Uzo. Only profit was shorting OMER. Yeah, but I think that's evolving when you recognize, okay, I'm not seeing really my setup, and I'm itching for a trade. I need to step away at that point. Don't listen to that emotion. That fight emotion. We all have like the fight or flight emotions, right? Even in trading, fight or flight, right? It's like against your psychology. Like a lot of what you do has to be against your psychology. TMQ, that one's kind of bear flagging. 920 could be the risk on continuation lower. I don't think I'm taking anything. I'm just going to flip through. BITF was a little hangover-ish. Fades is out there talking to his dad about CRML, TMQ. Let me make sure these plays are not going against me now that he's on the phone with his dad, because we know what happened yesterday. Coot is trying to hold 330. It's like double bottoming there, Coot. That's cool though. He's got that relationship with his dad where they trade these plays together. IRBT has been holding up. That could present a hangover for tomorrow. IRBT, it's a robot, iRobot. That one's kind of shot straight up and it's been holding its gains. S dot trying to hold 9. Omer's back over VWAP.
God, I gotta brew some coffee with a janky coffee pot.
Yeah, so Omer's back over VWAP. I heard you talking out there about the metals.
Yeah, I was telling my dad because he's over here like, do we buy the dip? There's some good op-" I'm like, well, wait a minute, let me see what's going on here. He's like wanting me to get involved in a metal play on the dip. I'm like, let me see.
Yeah. What was he asking about?
I told him, I'm like, it's just the themes, right? Like we switched from the metals theme to the seed oil theme. And that's what we're seeing. Like the metals are fading a little bit.
Is he trying to buy the seed oil dip?
No, hell no.
Hell
Coot
no.
to $2, guys. Coot, I'm about to buy a 100K eval and get it funded on Coot.
Yeah. Coot is real heavy here.
I'm like super big on these evals on Coot right now. Just kind of leaning into that one. I had a good eye. I covered Omer and I covered that other play. That what was it? I got some coffee going.
Yeah, I mean, dude, there was what was it?
Let's see, yeah, Omer
GNPX. Right.
Did we
up to
miss
it.
one?
Yeah. I mean, we missed a few, but it's all
Oh
good.
shit, that thing's still up 200%.
GMPX, the
What
dollar.
happened? Oh my god.
The dollar.
Did anyone catch that?
Yeah, that one I missed. And then IRBT setting up for a hangover tomorrow. That's just a iRobot or robot. iRobot.
50%. Okay.
Yeah. But GMPX miss, yeah. A couple misses. I'm happy with the
Yeah,
day.
we
It's
kind
whatever.
of neglected the backside today, but we had a lot of opportunity in the bell. I mean, you're up Q, right?
Yeah.
On the funded, so
Yeah, I'm up
life is
Q on the
good, you
funded.
know?
Pretty
It's
much making what I lost yesterday,
Yeah,
though.
it's like
but it's all good.
Something might get by, you know, but it's like you don't have to feel bad about that if you're up green on the day. Like,
Yeah, and we had a lot of distractions today too, like the broken computer, your
Yeah,
phone
dude,
cutting
I'm
off,
over here like in 4 positions on 2 evals, like flipping through it all on my phone, managing it all on the Trade the Pull app, like
yeah.
degenerately. Just yeah, I could have made a lot more today, but I'm up on these evals. I'm chilling. It's fine.
Yeah, Manuel, it's Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 to 12 normally is when I'm on Trade the Pool, their stream. And then FaZe and I, we've been working. I mean, we pretty much are on every morning.
Yeah.
Like Tuesday and Thursday, we get on pre-market, like 8:30 and 9:30. And then the other days, we are.
And then
we're
even
rolling.
Friday nights, it's cool if we can get someone else on.
Yeah.
It's cool just to chop it up with you as always, but it's nice if we can get like someone on from Green Team each
It's
Friday
so-
and kind of switch it
it's
up
so
and get a
helpful.
different perspective and just
It's
talk
so
things out,
helpful.
guys. Like,
It's so helpful to get it out.
it is, guys. It really is.
Like,
you know,
not only for us, but for them.
yeah, I really appreciate like having this voice to just let it out. It's been super beneficial for me, and
Yeah.
yeah, for anyone who comes on, I'm sure it is too. You know, Baron hopping on, Byron hopping on, like.
Yeah, it doesn't. Don't be scared. You know, no matter if you're one day in, got your 1 day chip, or if you're a couple years in and still struggling. Guys, we're not judging. You know, we're here to help, and it helps you out. Helps you out a lot. So, okay, Coot
Coot bouncing here.
just took me out on the leftovers, which is whatever.
Yeah.
380s, I'm very curious what she's going to do because that's around the open.
Yeah.
So just
Definitely needs to stay
honestly, I might have to re-hit it.
Yeah. I'm thinking this. I mean, don't get too aggressive.
Be
here,
like
'cause-
half size.
Yeah, I would say like take a feeler if you're not in it for sure. But it's
You're not too over
we've-
leveraged, are you?
Yeah,
Good.
no, we've seen this theme, man. We've seen the theme.
I think we're right.
Goes.
Like what we were discussing earlier. Don't, and this is why it's so good to like have that accountability and have somebody to talk to because like it just gets your mind going. Like right now, from our conversation, like I should not be going full size.
Yeah.
We
right.
we're up good, and this is
Yeah,
a
dabble
lunch
on
hour.
it. Give it a little risk. Set yourself up for a paper cut on coot. On a sloppy pop, but don't sit there and tunnel and keep hitting it. Like, I think we could all agree, like, 4 is their key level for coot. Like, it has room to test 4 and reject. Like, it could do that.
Right,
but
yeah,
if it's
yeah.
going to get above 4 and stay, like, the Bulls are just going to roar there.
yeah 4. I
Like,
see
a
that.
sloppy pop to 4, could be the nature of it. We know how wicky these things are.
I'm surprised she's at 370, dude.
Yeah, I am too. Let's see, look at this rejection. Like, this is just... They've been squeezing, man. They've been squeezing.
I'm tempted to.
S dot is working, guys.
Yeah, I'm happy with S dot.
I'm gonna add just a little bit to S dot. Just a little bit out of there.
And coffee maker's got asthma too.
I'm surprised it's even pumping out. I was like beeping like crazy yesterday for no reason.
Oh, this has been a blast, dude.
Yeah, this is awesome,
This
man.
has been so much fun. We gotta get like the green team travel bus or
Next
something.
time you come, I'll be a lot more set up. This is humble beginnings for Green Team here.
Well, the family, like we take them to Disney a couple times a year, so
Yeah, man.
I'll have to sneak off and just be like,
Yeah.
hey, look, Daddy's
Yeah.
got to work a little bit.
For sure, dude. Yeah, anytime you come down, definitely.
And two, after lunch, if you want to go, like, if you want to swing by the pool, I got the room, or we can do whatever. I don't care.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Whatevs, we'll figure it out. We're pretty simple.
Yeah.
I've stayed at the Disney resorts. I've stayed at a Super 8. It really. Well, I probably prefer the better hotels, but
Yeah.
It doesn't matter to me at the end of the day. I'm just like whatever. I'm pretty simple.
Right. So S dot working, Coot struggling to work for us. Big old Warrior reclaim there. Annoying.
I just don't envision this.
I don't
thing.
think it's I mean I feel
I
like
think it's given a good entry up here.
yeah, like this is bigger picture, probably the entry. Off like 4. Yeah, I feel like this is the time to add it. Because, I mean, look at all that resistance, dude. Like, I mean, a little pop is expected, right? Like, some kind of warrior love there at that support level.
Will it give a
3,
big
2,
wick up? Like, if it gives a wick up towards 4, that would be a great entry. But I know you're already involved with it, so
Yeah.
you're not really wanting that. But
Yeah, I've been kind of adding into it here. And then it's
don't
like,
give
if-
back the whole day, though.
Yeah, and it's like I'm on the eval, so I'm a little more aggressive, right? So it's like I wouldn't really trade it like that on my funded, to be honest. But I trade the evals more aggressive, and I realize with the evals you have to be, like you got to kind of lean into the kings today. Why? Because the volume rule. The volume rule continues to get some trades invalidated for me, and it's like usually those low float, like the sleepier plays, the volume rule just becomes a problem. But like with a Coot, you're not worried about no volume rule. You're not worried about the volatility rule. You kind of have to kind of lean into that and work those plays accordingly. Like, for an eval, we can play the halt strategy like we talk about, or like Josh talks about, right? Like we see a big runner, we wait, we sit on our hands. When it halts down, then you get in. Take your starter into that.
Yeah.
And then like build your position from how it reacts to that. But you can't do that on a funded account. So there's just different styles, different methods to the madness.
Different
Coot
strokes.
rejection, boys.
So
Strong rejection off the 3.8 Coot. You could even size it
I'm
now
hitting it
off
here.
the 3.8.
yeah, I'm hitting,
Like hit it now with the size, put your stop at 3.81
I'm hitting
and
it here.
reassess it from there, right? Don't complicate it. That's my philosophy.
I'm hitting it here and giving it to like 389, something like that. But I'm going small, and it should fade a point. Like, I'm kicking back here. So I'm going half share size. Tight risk, a lot of reward.
S dot looks like it might be trying to. It's right there at that key level.
I got the 10 as the adjusted stop for me, which may hit. I probably should put that a little above 10.
Yeah, so Coot, I mean, that was kind of an expected move with Coot.
Yeah, it's good to take profits and then reassess.
Yeah, like we
resmack.
talked about, like have that side, like have that main core, and that's what, if nothing else, it's like what you have to do to be successful, is that, because we see so much chop, right? Like we have a bias, we're like, okay, this stock is going lower, right? And it probably is in the day. It has been so far, but look how much chop in between. Like look at all that action.
Yeah.
Like, so you got to capitalize on those wicks down.
Yeah.
Take a third off. Like just start training yourself. When you see a wick down and you're short, immediately just take a third off. Take 40% off. Take 25% off. Take something off, because if it reclaims, then you'll be better suited. You're less emotional. You're ready to either re-hit it or to take it off if it doesn't look good, right? But if you just sit there and let it go up and down in your time, and it's like that can kind of screw with you too.
When's the offering coming out?
Dude, they gotta do an offering.
It's like the company woke up all surprised. They're like,
Yeah.
what just happened with our company today?
Right. Did you cover that metals play? Did it rebound?
CRML.
TMQ and CRML, how are they looking?
S dot just took me out.
Oh yeah, just squeezed.
Oh my god, I got a bad fill, I think. God dang it, dude. Yeah, look at that. 1018 or something right on the top of the
Right, of course. Yeah, the stupid trade the pool stops. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking about covering that before it got. I probably should have. Yeah, TMQ still looks heavy. Looks real heavy, actually.
TMQ, yeah. Oh yeah, when you were on the phone with your dad, we went over that one. It does look heavy against.
CRML, yeah. So he was like thinking maybe like buy the metals on a dip with a FOMO mindset, but it's like, is this the dip or is this the beginning of the end?
Coot's getting a little pop there that got heavily rejected.
Yeah, everything's kind of popping again.
It's all good. I feel like this is the less edged time period.
Exactly.
So I'm like sizing down, protect what you made, and just
Exactly.
just kick
100%.
back. Honestly, it's like positions where we can just go on about
Yeah,
the day and
exactly.
just leave them on.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah, traders, let's do a poll. See how you guys did today. It was a really fun stream.
Yeah, for sure. And critical metals, man. Is this thing gonna dump more? Look at this. Came from 6.
Which one? CRM? Yeah. Well, that was the one we were short on this morning.
Oh yeah, you did short that, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, it was like AQMS.
Did you
Yeah,
cover
that's
down
right.
here?
Yeah.
And it's just kind of basing, yeah.
Yeah.
But it hasn't gotten any love, man. The thing might be headed
Well,
north.
that and AQMS and TMQ was the hangover.
Yeah.
It's like,
Keep an
call
eye.
one of them, but it's all good. Yeah, are you green? Let us know, traders. Fades and I are just going to work probably Coot throughout the day.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick with Coop. Let's see. Anything else before we go?
I'm in EDHL still. It's right at my
JNPX is
average.
interesting. That thing's up 200-something%.
Yeah, I'm a little aggravated by that one. Because I know I would have smacked that at over $1, but
Coot rejecting again, which is good to see.
yeah, GMPX. GMPX. We have the $1.10 risk now, and it is popping up a little bit. So maybe we can.
GNPX, this might be a sloppy level.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at that, dude.
Sloppy seconds.
Off like 9.
What sector are we in here?
Off
GMPX?
995 GNPX.
New cancer therapy data.
That's a little sketchy. I'm thinking about hitting CRML. off
We're
of
so bearish.
tight
minded.
risk
These
here.
companies could like completely cure cancer, and we're like, no,
Yeah.
it's already up. It's
Right.
already up 50%. short. Yeah, seed looks heavy. Man, there were
Sore
some good
subject.
plays. I know.
Seed is sore
But
subject.
honestly, dude, even like I'm small coot protecting the gains today, but we could see a 0.2
Oh yeah,
fade on
I'm
that.
bigger picture fade on Coot. I'm looking for like that.
And with tight,
I'm looking for that whole breakdown, dude. Like the bigger picture, like
Yeah,
boom,
yeah.
like back to 2.5, 2. Like,
Or let's just go like let's just leave it on and go about
Yeah.
the day.
CRML. I'm actually gonna take a little bit there, guys. It looks real heavy. Right now.
CRML.
Yeah,
that's the one your dad was looking to scoop up, right?
Off 25. He doesn't know. He's thinking
was
about buying a
asking.
metal play, but I'm sitting looking at the chart and they're screaming bearish.
Yeah, 25. is good.
TMQ is dumping right now too. You know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, guys.
Good-
I'm
good
gonna
trade.
sprinkle on these.
TMQ,
I'm gonna
CRML.
sprinkle small size on these into weakness.
Yeah, on the
Ride
metals
it right
plays.
out.
All right. I mean, I think
Because we saw that same theme, right? The dump on the boundaries.
everyone that voted is green today.
Awesome, guys.
Good.
Good work. Good stuff.
We'll stay open here for just another minute, guys. Let us know.
SDOT is kind of rejecting again. Or, I don't know, man.
Oh, SDOT. Yeah, I got.
It's like, is it done
such
there
a
at
bad
10-2?
whack on that, I think.
Is that 10-2 done, or is it going to grind from here? Is the question.
God dang
Look
it.
at it. Is that the top?
10-20. Yeah.
It's the seed oil theme. Up 9%.
TMQ, you're
super
looking good there.
bearish.
TMQ, is that nearing its lows? Coot's still looking heavy. I got a 390-ish stop on it, so I'm kicking back there. Smaller. That is a size small. Leave on for bigger picture kind of day. Like that setup. Outside of that, traders. I think we're done. I think we've wrapped it up. Good green day.
Good work.
And make sure you're working order. Wait, make sure if you're liquidated, you got no working orders. I'm like paranoid. I'm always looking at those because I'm
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah, 100%.
outside of
that's
that.
true.
Good workouts. That was fun.
Yeah, it
Let's
was.
freaking go, dude.
Good job, man.
Good work. All right, green team. We'll be in the Discord throughout the day, so if you haven't joined that, go ahead and join it in the description below. Green team Discord. And outside of that, email me, averydaytrading@gmail if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Play it
We'll
by
see.
ear.
I got to figure out what we're all doing with at the event. But yeah, maybe back here tomorrow. We'll see. Stay tuned. Turn the notifications on, and you guys will get alerted of it. All right, traders, good work today. We'll see you tomorrow.
Homer's looking heavy.